Good morning, Tradeify Nation. Welcome back to another London session stream with me, Celine, the AI, whatever you guys want to call me. I'm back. It's Thursday, April 16th. I hope you guys are having an amazing day, amazing evening, wherever you are joining me from around the world. Markets have continued to rally. We are still seeing some crazy bullishness in these markets, so I can't wait to get into that. I hope if you guys did take longs already, or if you guys are holding longs, or however you guys are trading this, I hope you guys are crushing it. I can't wait to hear about what you guys have been in already or overnight in New York. Well, overnight for me. But yeah, we'll get into it. Nick will be joining us as usual in an hour, in a little bit. And until then, we will keep him locked. And when I say that, I mean because if we don't reach the like count goal for this session, then we won't get Nick on board. So let me tell you, it'll be 385 likes to unlock Nick today. I boosted it a little bit because 350 likes has been too easy the past few days. So 385 likes and we'll unlock Nick, and we'll give an account away. All right, let's see who we have here first of all before we get into the markets. Before I do my breakdown, as usual. Good morning, Ivan. Good morning, Heinz Steak. Good morning, David. Good morning, Knock My Door. Shenlong, good morning. What's up? Wick Sweeper, Adam, Alpha Trades, NQ Trades, Tony Gold, Brandon. Good morning. Cannot read that. Sudip Sharma. Good morning, FX Peter. G for Geo is here. D for J2K. Good morning, Andrea. Morning. The African 1340 and Nelly Trades. Good morning. Kiz. Good morning. Lucifer. Guys, Paul Profits. Everyone's here. Paul says, I'm so keen. I love Tradeify. I love you guys. I love that we get this extra hour together as well, to not have the dictator around, as we call him, Nick. But yeah, we get to trade another session, another hour together. So let's get straight into it. So this is NQ. This is the usual. I will start with the daily and then run you guys top down what I'm looking at. And then I will throw it over. You guys can tell me if you guys are in trades already or what you're looking at. So right now, what do we have here? All we've been seeing is this is the 10th bullish day in a row on NQ. And we haven't had this for a long time. This is the daily chart. If you look back, like it's been a while since we've had this sort of consecutive like green day after green day after green day, like in a row like this. It's been full on, and it has been hard to be a reversal trader, I'll say from my standpoint, because the reversals just aren't happening. It's just this every little like down close candle is just a candle in a sort of a pullback and not some sort of big reversal move. So at the moment, if you've been on the long side of price and playing the bulls, like it's been paying day after day after day. And so these levels up here that I was looking at, all-time highs yesterday, we got there. Did I say or did I not say? I had an inkling that this week we were going to get up there. We were going to hit those all-time highs, and we were going to, if we got there, we were going to blast through. So at the moment, we are currently trading above 26,000. Well, let's say daily open was at 26,350. So we are now well and truly past that 26,000 psychological level. We are in heavy into the 26,000s and beyond now. So it'll be very interesting. Areas like this at all-time highs are difficult to trade, in my opinion, because do we see this now as the reversal? Are we going to pull back a little bit now? Like 10 days green in a row is a lot. And yeah, I think we need to consider, like, if you're buying here, you are pretty much buying the top of the all-time highs. And for me, that's really difficult to do. Like, as how I am in mentally, like when I see areas of price like this that are so key, like an all-time high, longing it and buying it from up here is just difficult for me to do mentally. So I would rather take some sort of pullback trade today, some sort of retracement back into these. This is just such a huge leg of price that we just have not had one pullback into. That's speaking on the daily. Now the 4-hour, very similar picture. 4-hour pretty much looks the same. This was the weekly open gap that we had, and we have just rallied, absolutely skyrocketed to those all-time highs since then. We had, bar this one bearish candle on Tuesday, the rest has just been bulls after that. So that's the 4-hour, also looking very strongly bullish. At the moment, if you stretch out, if you look at the 1-hour, you can see it has been a little bit more of a easier picture to look at in terms of market structure. The brush, that's what I want. So we've had, this is just this week. So we've had an up move, then London sort of gave us like the consolidation, then another expansion into New York, then London the next day, consolidations, like semi pullback, expansion, and now Asia has continued that expansion today after indices closed green and well above those all-time highs. And so what I would expect, or what I'd like to see from NQ today in the London session, is a sort of a pullback to retrace a little bit, just a little bit of this move from Asia, and then I say we go to the moon. I just think there is no way we're going to see any sort of like bearish correction to the downside. Apparently there are still negotiations happening around this US and Iran. I don't hear me, Roman? Okay. Guys, just I don't know what just happened. There's some sort of, I don't know. It's the same thing that happened yesterday. I can hear you, Roman, but it's just strange. Guys, just drop a 1 quickly if you guys can hear me. And I'll keep going here. So strange. This happens, like, it never used to happen. Strange. But I'm here. Can you guys hear me? Just drop a 1. I just need any of you to... Okay, 1. Okay, cool. So yeah, I just think there is definitely a long-term, high time frame bullish bias, definitely. But doesn't mean I can't take a short, or we can't take shorts just to do the... okay, I'm getting all the 1s, guys. It's all good. I know you guys can hear me now. Thanks for that. But yeah, it doesn't mean I won't be trying to eye up a short, especially given that we are so high up in price. Like, it has to pull back at some point, right? That's my sort of very basic theory here. So right now we have had a sweep of that previous 4-hour high. So I am looking at trying to align a short up here if we do get that alignment between the 4-hour and the 15-minute. So right now we have got that actually very nicely here. So sweep of Asia high has just happened, sweep of previous 4-hour high, and sweep of the previous 15-minute high. So this is a nice setup for me to take a potential short in. I'm now going to be watching the 1-minute chart for an inversion, and then if I get that, I'd be happy to take a small short in here. The idea is, though, if I do take shorts today, it'll just be a pullback, and I won't be wanting to stay in those shorts very long. Like, not trying to aim for really long targets like previous day low or anything. You know, I'm just going to be trying to take my just range, just the base hits, and get out. And if I do see a potential to just continue this move higher, I will take longs. But for the moment, definitely trying to eye up shorts here. But guys, that is it from me. Let's just wait for price to come to us. Frankfurt has opened. We're 5 minutes into the Frankfurt Open now, and hopefully it looks like we are getting some volume right off the open. So let's see if we can get a trade before London Open. So guys, how is everyone doing? Is anyone in any trades already? Like, are you guys in longs since Asia? Like, tell me, what is the plan? Anyone also seeing it as a potential London to, you know, correct a little bit? Not correct, but like pull back a little bit. New York, that expansion session. What are you guys thinking? Okay, the Africans took a trade from NY Open at midnight to Asia low. Okay, nice. Asia low. Oh, we haven't quite gotten into Asia low. JJ says no pulling back, just full port long. I mean, it's definitely looking like that. We are just pumping high. It's a scary market for a reversal trader to be trading in. Let me tell you that. Split Striker says, I scalped along at Frankfurt Open just to hit the 150 minimum on my funded accounts. Nice. Yes, you can definitely be scalping longs in here for sure. I missed a comment. He said, Split Striker says, Celine, you're the best on this channel. You're actually talking about trading. What do you mean? We talk about trading all the time. Sometimes. we sometimes don't, but that's because We're human, and we're not robots out here. Morning, Adam. Andrea says, Slim, we have to convert you into a trend trader. I just can't, Andrea. Like, I do like to trade with the trend, like more so in the London session, in the New York session, like taking that expansion continuation sort of model. But in London, time after time, London just provides usually that reversal session. Whatever Asia has done, whatever like the PM New York session has done, it usually retraces most of that, and then New York provides that continuation expansion. So I just struggle to see London as the expansion session, based on what I've backtested and what I've looked at. So Andrea, sorry, I can't trade with the trend during London. Just can't do it. And that might be a bad thing. I'm not saying it's a good thing. Lucifer wants to short it. Okay, nice. We're going to be crazy, Lucifer, and short this together. In the most bullish of times we've ever been in, we're going to short. Walid says, first trade in my 50K, I won $500. Nice. Very nice. Lock it up. First win in your 50K. There's no point giving it all back. Lock it up. Or if you're trading, if you can't help it, just trade small now. Trade micro sizes. Micro contracts. I mean, you've taken a nice win. You don't want to be saying bye-bye to that money. FX Peter says, I'm playing longs all day long. I'm with you. I mean, I'm with you for the long-term longs. But I'm sort of wanting to take a short here. I don't know. I might be wrong. Mike says, I'm thinking not to trade because of big expansion the last 3 days. Yeah, look, I think I've never traded in such bullish conditions probably in the last couple of years, like since I started. I think this is probably the biggest run I've ever seen NQ go on, like in terms of rallying 10 days in a row, just green. So yeah, it is difficult market conditions if you are new to trading like me, and this is like only your second year really in these markets. Trying to form trade ideas and try to use like old things might not necessarily like be playing out right now, because I don't think I've traded in such a bullish market conditions. So yeah, it is interesting. We will learn through this together. We'll see if I do catch a trade. Like I said, if it is shorts, they will be very short-lived. I'm not trying to completely go against the trend and short all-time highs. It's never a good idea. Andrea says, yeah, you want the money gun, not the money gone. So true. Lock that account and vibe in the chat. Yes, guys, if you're just joining, make sure you subscribe so you can comment in the chat, because I always try to get to all your questions and all your comments in this first hour while we don't have Nick. We have peace and quiet without the dictator. And also, speaking of the dictator, if we get to 385 likes today, I did say we're going to do a giveaway when Nick arrives, and we will unlock Nick. So 385 likes. I've pushed it up a little bit because 350 was too easy for you guys. Celine, how long into your journey did it take you to become profitable, and was there a major turning point? Says Split Striker. Okay, so for me, the major turning point was 16 months into my journey. So I had spent like the first whole year just learning and just that first 16 months was just learning and blowing accounts and sitting on evals just for a long time and practicing like the mental aspect of trading and losing money and having money in a trade, all of that part, like risk management, everything that comes with trading. It took me a long time to learn. FOMO, all those feelings, and you've got like the psychological side of things. But it really turned for me 16 months down the track, and I just really got so tired of not seeing consistent wins, not seeing like I would win, but then I'd lose, and then I'd win like one or two, and then it would get to my head, and then I would like strategy would go out the window. So then I just really knuckled down and put together like rules for my system, rules for the way I traded, and that's it. I just dedicated because I dedicated so much time, I was like, well, I need this to work out, because otherwise that whole 16 months was just a waste. So yeah, it was that point in April when I got my payout. And the only reason I got to that point was because I just dedicated everything I had learned and put it all into practice, shut down all the psychological things that were going on in my head, journaled, started to really get into journaling and reflecting on my trading and not just ignoring the losses. Like, no, why were you in that trade? You shouldn't have been in that trade. Here are the rules. Did you follow the rules? And started to just use checklists into my trades. And then slowly, the consistency was there. So that was the one thing for me, journaling and just putting hard rules on my trading. And yeah, that was it. What's the live count? The like count? You mean the like count is 385 likes today. A little bit more than the last couple of days, but because you guys have been smashing 350, so 385. I pumped it up a little bit. What is a sweep indicator on your chart? The sweep indicator right now is being so this is, I got two indicators on the chart. Both have this sweep function. So this is the sessions and key levels indicator that I use by Script Edge. Basically, once the HS session has been swept, I have this ticked on to show me that it's been fine. Actually, is no longer a solid line. It changes to dash, so I know it's been broken. We've swept it. And also the Selling Trades model indicator also has the same function, also built by Script Edge. So it's got yeah, I can either, it can let me know when it sweeps. I can turn that off or on, but I prefer to have it on so I can actually know in case I'm reading the chat and then I quickly glance over the chart. I know we've swept because I can see the dash line there. So just an easy visualization thing for me. Trading for signs, can you make the market go down? I wish. You know me, I would love to be short. I love being in shorts much rather than longs, but right now, it doesn't look like it. This is the 15-minute candle. This was Frankfurt Open, and we have had quite a move already. But yeah, I don't know if we're going to get necessarily those shorts in here. We will see. I'm not going to jump into anything longs or shorts. I'm just going to let price do its thing, do its exploring right now, whatever it wants to do, and then see. Vietnam Shell Shock Slim, do you do the 3 bad trade rule? I have no idea what that is, actually. What is that? Maybe I do, maybe I don't. I have no idea what that is. Good morning, Amia. 1D A7BB, cool. I'm doing the same. It really helped me. Yeah, when it comes to finding consistency in trading, because obviously that's the number one thing you want when it comes to, yeah, day trading in general. Like it's sort of like anyone can take a win. You could be lucky and take a win. I mean, markets are either going up or down, and you could just take a long position right now and have won a trade. But can you do that consecutively over years, over months, whatever it is, like, and do it without yeah, with proper risk management and that. And so consistency for me came from the journaling and came from the hard rules, not trying different things here and there, like sticking to one system and then letting that play out. And it's all data, it's all probabilities at the end of the day. And that's another thing as well, just tracking your data, back testing, all of that. What does inversion on your chart mean? Momentum delta and inversion. What I look at for an inversion is a close below the gap. So right now, for example, this is the 1 minute chart. If we have this drawn out, this is a 1 minute FVG, a 1 minute gap. And if we invert, I would need price to actually close below, where is the paintbrush? Close below here. So close the gap. And that's called an inversion. But yeah. Oh, Paul Prophet said they're asking about the table. Oh, okay. So the table down here is actually tracking, sorry. The table down here is tracking what I look for. So it's got an X right now next to inversion because I haven't had a 1 minute inversion after these conditions are met. So after the high time frame sweep has happened, okay, yes, we have had the 4-hour high swept. Great. So now that's ticked. That will remain ticked. Now I know I'm looking for shorts. I'm bearish based on the 4-hour. And then the intermediate time frame sweep hasn't happened yet. So unless this 15-minute, like right now, that's this previous 15-minute high swept, that'll stay with a cross. And then the inversion also the same with the cross, because once we get the intermediate time frame sweep, then I'll be looking for a 1 minute inversion, and then only if it inverts on the 1 minute after that will this have a tick. And that's what that is. Just another visualization thing that helps me with my trading. Morning, Kyle. Morning, Suraj. Amir, my system is pretty much the same as you, but I really don't get a setup these days. Interesting. I have had some good setups. The thing is, sometimes lately, ES and NQ have been sort of doing that thing where they SMT at the lows. So sometimes we haven't been getting the sweep happen on NQ, but we're getting it on ES. So then for me, it depends on how you like to trade, like a liquidity sweep, but still having that swept on ES is a form of, something to consider and a form of SMT. So for me, I still accept that as a position, a part of my trading. So if you have been waiting for the NQ sweeps, we probably haven't been getting it as cleanly as we have in the past. Like if you do need those clean liquidity sweeps. But New York, if you trade New York has had a bit cleaner, I'd say. A bit cleaner of the sweep and then reversal sort of move. But yeah, it has been continuation. It has. This 4-hour hasn't got a wick. What does the 4-hour look like now? Yeah, this is why. So when the 4-hour is looking like this with like little to no bottom wick, I really want to see us, like we have opened here, obviously, accumulated. I want to see us, this be the manipulation of the Asia high, and then we just drop down a little bit, even more, and just distribute to the downside. This would be my like perfect way to trade this session. But whether or not NQ wants to give us that today, but I do love seeing a candle like this when it's little to no bottom wick, thinking that, all right, we could potentially get a flip, go bearish here, and then distribute to the downside, which let's hope that's the case, as that would be nice to be on the short side of that. I'm just going to check if ES did sweep that high. Nope, there's no SMT there. So for me, I'm not getting in this short. Even if this does invert, this 1 minute gap, I'm not getting in short because it didn't sweep this previous 15-minute high, nor did ES. So I was just checking ES to see if there was a potential SMT there, but there wasn't. So I'm going to stay out. If price wants to run, like I said yesterday, price can run. There will always be another session. There will always be another day to trade. Hey, morning, Leah. JJ says, Celine, you're the spitting image of my sister. Wow, can you send me a photo? Or like, if that's not weird, I want to know what she looks like. Maybe I have a doppelganger out there. They say everyone has someone in the world that looks exactly like them. That's pretty cool. Chudu says, how do you get the table down there? That's an indicator. Yes, that's in my indicator that I had built based on what I wanted in an indicator. I worked with a PineScript developer, Script Edge. So that belongs to this indicator, the Celine Trades model. But it might not work for everyone. It only works for me, or if you trade similar to me, because these are the things I look for in a setup. I need to have the high time frame sweep. I need to have the intermediate time frame sweep and then the inversion. So it might not work for you. And the bias is determined by the rules I use for my bias. So it might not work for everyone, because I use the London session 4-hour handle to determine my bias. But what are we doing here, Frankfurt? What are we doing? I'd prefer if we do get a sweep of the previous 15-minute high, then I would take a short. But maybe this just is a pullback, and we're gonna go long. Carl says, I made 1K real money trading all-time high, Celine. Woo! Carl, that's something to be proud of. Like, when we're trading all-time highs, it is a very difficult time in trading because have we seen the top now? Are we going to reverse? Are we just going to blast here? Like, it is a really difficult, I mean, when we talk about price action, like, there's nothing to the left. It's always the way I like to trade anyway, is always looking to the left. What are the highs? What do we look like we're targeting? And for me, it's always like highs, or to the downside would be like swing lows. And now there's nothing to our left. So it is difficult to use or to anchor the price when we're just like in these no man's land, like in the 26,000s now with no real areas to anchor to. Now it's just, we just, I guess, long this, right? Until we get some sort of bearish momentum, bearish market structure. But right now, everything is pointing to bulls. Bulls, bulls, bulls. And Hugh swept at ES didn't. No, wait. It swept what? Because ES definitely didn't sweep that previous 15-minute high. I have that up here printed. No sweep from ES there. MS Gufo, on your panel indicator, should bias flip based on structure, OB, and London low and displacement, or only after? Okay, so Miss Gufo, the panel on my indicator only stays that for the length of the 4-hour candle because it's just based on what the 4 hours done. So as soon as the previous 4-hour candle has been swept, whether that's high or low, this will determine what I'm trading in that moment. So because previous 4-hour high has been tapped, I'm looking for the short. If previous 4-hour low had been tapped, I'd be bullish. You know what I mean? For the next 4 hours, that is. If that makes sense. Oh, Kevin Tobias is in shorts. Lucifer, lol, I took a short 26,480. 26,480. Okay, nice. Let's hope you get that follow through, guys. It is risky. You're shorting all-time highs here, so you know, just saying. If it's going for all-time highs, may not give pullbacks. Yeah, this is the thing. Like, this is a 1-minute chart, and although that looks like a bit of momentum, like this move here to the downside, zooming out, is it though? Like, is it really a strong enough bearish move to say, okay, this is the top now? This is what makes me nervous, guys, because if you zoom out, if you keep zooming out, we're just so bullish. And really, if I actually look at that move that we had on the 1 minute, we just tapped into this 5-minute gap and jumped straight out of there as soon as we tapped in. So I'm waiting for a bit more confirmation today. I'm going to ask for a lot more from price, and that is because we are in such bullish market conditions. And yeah, I know I'm very much, if I'm taking shorts, I'm very much going against the trend. So I just want a little bit more from price, like even trading not a 1 minute inversion today, but maybe like a 3-minute inversion, just to be a little bit more on the safer side, that it's not just a small little, you know, 2-candle little pullback into a 5-minute gap, which is, we have to be very careful not to always get so stuck on the 1-minute chart and seeing the 1-minute structure, because when you zoom out, okay, what was that move really considering? That was a tap into and a respect of this bullish 5-minute gap. Doesn't look so bearish after all. So it's always important to keep zooming out in your charts, not get so honed into the 1-minute chart as well, because you don't get the full picture on the 1-minute chart. But I do use it for my executions. Here's, if both 4-hour high and low are swept, what do you do then, Celine? I am then playing more B+. So A+ would be to take the 4-hour, say we're looking for longs. We've had 4-hour low sweep kids, and then I'd be taking it into the 4-hour high. So then both have swept. I'm no longer looking for setups after that, because that's like the target met. But from time to time, that does happen. And then I would take like a B+. If I'm like at my discretion, feel like the market is going to continue higher now, and I didn't catch like an inversion from the lows, and it's gone all the way to 4-hour high. I could wait for a pullback and then take another long out of there, but it's like B+. I don't like to be trading that once both low and high have been swept. Morning, Trader Nickel One. Guys, if you're just joining, by the way, there is a like count target today to hit before Nick comes in. So 385 likes. Let me see what we're at the moment. Let me have a look. 385 likes. We'll do a giveaway when Nick gets here, and we'll bring Nick on as we normally do. So right now, what are we at? 152 likes. So we need quite a lot more, guys, like 230 likes or something ridiculous like that in the next 30 minutes. So make sure if you're just joining, smash the like button. We'll be bringing Nick on soon and a giveaway if you do. Kyle says, how about we all just wait until the market comes down? Kyle, it's easy to say that, but I mean, we're all addicts here. We all want to get a trade. It's hard to, honestly, like, I don't know about you guys, but are there days where you just don't take a trade at all? Because it's very hard some days. Especially like on my side of the globe, I can be awake for Asia, London, and New York. And to not take a trade and just sit back, it's very hard. FX Peter says it's scary that at any moment we could pull back 400 to 800 points and still be bullish. Yes, literally that. That is it. We could still pull 400 to 800 points and it not be like a correction. It could just be a pullback in the grand scheme of things. That is the market conditions that we're currently in. And that's a really good thing for people to remember, right? Like, that is how extremely bullish we are. This is all-time highs. This is where we are right now. Like, we are just blasting off here. I'm sort of tempted to just take like a stab at longs on an eval. I do have this Tradeify account that is in some heavy drawdown that, you know, I could just stab at. I don't know. What should we do, chat? We are just like, prices just, we are so extended. So extended. It's ridiculous. And instead of Asia pulling back, Asia just continued this entire move from New York. Crazy. Ivan says, I've done that, no trades. Pro. That is pro status. If you guys can look and watch your charts and not trade in a day, it's a very good skill. It is a professional skill, honestly. It took me ages to get to that point, and it's still hard to sit on my hands. I copy trade across Tradeify and Tradeify. Yeah, 1D A7BB takes a lot of discipline to not take a trade. It's so underestimated, but it is. It does take a lot to actually not be in a trade. To sit here, stare at this, know that I don't have a setup that I like to trade forming, and just sit here and do nothing. Leia says, yes, I've had so many no trade days these past 3 months. No setup equals no trade. I love that. Leia, like, that is one of the hardest things to get through. Those days where there's just no trade days and you just get on with your life and just leave the chats alone. Amia, you trade fundeds on these markets? The last couple of London sessions I haven't. I don't think I have not copy traded across funded accounts because I know I'm pretty much going against the high time frame trend. So I don't love it for fundeds to be risking that in these market conditions. But usually I can trade fundeds and evals on the same trade. I do that regularly. So you take the trade on Tradeify, but yes, exactly. I do my charting on TradingView and then execute on Tradeify and Tradeify. And Sequestro, hi Celine, question, will the one-time payment continue forever in Tradeify? Yes. If you're talking about the Tradeify 3.0 update, yes. That is here to stay. The one-time payment, you just pay one fee And then that's it. We talked about this yesterday, but it is such a game changer in this space because I know like sitting on evals can be such a tormenting thing when you know you've got like this subscription payment coming up around the corner, and so you're sort of like just trying to panic and trade whatever you can just to get it past, and you know what, before you know it, you've blown the account anyway. So having a one-time payment just gives so much more peace to traders. I think it's a really good thing. And now guys, you can play with Apple Pay. If you guys didn't see my story or see Tradeify's post, you can now just pay with Apple Pay, so much easier. And Mia, yesterday you got stopped at. Yes. All right. So yesterday's trade, just because we're not doing anything here right now, I'll go over the setup. Ooh, what was this? And no, I wasn't in this long. Oh, it would have been so nice, but I was at dinner. I missed that long, but got stopped in this short. No, I was in longs, wasn't I? Where was I long? Chat, please remind me my trade. It was here. So after we had this manipulation, after Roman spoke and the market manipulated, I think I was entering here. I did take partials. I was targeting the highs here and then ended up took partials around this high, and then we just it was just after the stream finished, so 5:02 a.m. Eastern. I think we like had just shut down the stream, and then boom boom boom, we just dropped. I have no idea what that was about, and then market continued to rally, so I was on just, you know what, this just goes to show you don't want to trade with a stop loss. Because these longs, my entry was around 26,000. And yeah, we went up over 400 points after that. So there you go. Stupid stop loss stopping me out. But yeah, that was the trade yesterday. And right now, nothing for me to do yet. I do like that we're sort of hesitating after having swept out Asia high and previous 4-hour high. I do like that there is a bit of, you know, pause going on. I'm glad that we're not just pumping through, because then I would really not like taking shorts in that way. Yes, extraordinary cave trader. Tradeify is doing so much stuff for the traders, honestly. Yes, and there is even more to come. This is really great stuff. And if you guys don't know about the 3.0 update, go on the website. If you just go to tradeify.co, you can read about all the updates there. Instead of me going on and rambling about it, you guys can get all the info. There's a FAQ part of it, and you can just read through all the questions and get all the answers. Leah says, can I just say though that it's taken me a long time to get to this point, taking no trades. Never would I thought I was capable of doing this even up to a few months ago. This bootcamp has taught me how to get comfortable being uncomfortable. Yes, that is amazing, Leah. Like, honestly, great work, great stuff, because that is such a feat. Like in trading, having to master your mind to tell yourself, okay, just don't trade today. Go and do something else. Like it's hard. It sounds simple, like just don't simply take a trade, but it's a lot easier said than done. So well done. Honestly, you got to pat yourself on the back. It's a lot of people can't even do that. Morning, Inez. Morning, C Money. I love that nickname, honestly. Wick Sleeper, or you can rewatch the 3.0 announcement video. Yes, that's right. We did have a live stream when the 3.0 update happened. We had Vinny on, so if you guys want to go back and watch Vinny speak through it, you can also do that. That's live, still recorded on our YouTube channel as well. Guys, are we in any trades right now? Tell me, because at the moment for me, I'm not entering any short position or long position, but I did tell you guys I was looking to trade the sort of reversal for London to be the reversal. Oh, we did get the SMT there. All right, I'm gonna have a stab at the short because ES did actually sweep that high. NQ didn't. So in that case, we have SMT. I'm just gonna enter this on. Let's see if this inverts. I'm watching this 1 minute gap. 3 seconds. Oh, why is that not executing? Okay. All right, I have a sell limit there now, whether it's going to pick me up or not. But basically, SMT with ES at this previous 15-minute high and this inversion, as well as the Asia high being swept, 4-hour high being swept. There we go. Just got to add my stop loss in there. We need a stop loss. And then we'll target these lows. So the risk is quite small. The risk is 12 points on this trade. And we'll target these lows, 26,451. 451. Okay. Just a little lower. All right, I'm trying the short here, guys. We'll see. We'll see. Yeah, hopefully we get the follow through. Like I said, I'm not trying to take a short and try to be correct about the entire market move being bearish. I know we're in bullish conditions, and I know high time frame is very much bullish, and I do expect expansion in New York, but I'm just trying to take a stab here after having been so bullish and just expecting some sort of pullback, really. So we'll see. If it doesn't play out, I'm risking a 12-point risk on this trade. Hey, Cam Bam. Hey, Camille. Oh, I'm boss now? He says, hey, boss. Schmitzel saying going break even in the 15-minute BC. Good point. Yes, we do need to... I didn't actually catch that 15-minute BC. This is the 15-minute BC. I'll have that up as well. Well, let's see. We have just SMT that low as well. With ES. So not a great reaction. We do want to see more bearishness from NQ, since that's when we're trading. Elizabeth, short this shit to the house, Lynn. Let's go. Oh, I'm so toxic like that. Like I just can't see the longs, and that'll probably be the issue today for me. Let's see. I mean, I'll be happy to take a TP on the shorts in these sort of markets. I think it can be a very lucky thing if it does. But it's the usual setup. So I'm happy taking this. I just have market conditions against me. That's all I need to realize. Like, I am trading in at all-time highs, trading against the bullish trend right now. That's the only thing. So I could be cooked. But just looking for a 20 point move here. Morning, Ursula. Hope you had an amazing birthday yesterday, by the way. Well, Nick not here. You are Princess Boss. I'll take it. I will take it. By the way, guys, Nick will be joining us very soon. I did not even realize the time. So when Nick arrives, we need to have 385 likes for me to bring him on. And also with that, we'll do a giveaway. So make sure, if you're just joining, you're smashing the like button, 385 likes, and we will do a giveaway. And that'll be in just around 15 minutes by the time, 20 minutes by the time Nick gets here. All right, so in drawdown now. We did SMT the lows, and we could be having a reaction to that. But still, in this trade. We're still alive. Still alive. Let's see. Didn't quite tap into that 15-minute gap on NQ as well. I just have that here to watch. The Riaz, we have the exact entry with the exact stop loss lane. Let's go. All right. Good luck. Good luck, guys. I mean, we never encourage you guys to copy our trading at all. So your risk, it's your trade, your risk. But this is my valid setup, so I took it. George says, I can understand you. I hate longs, but this is the problem in a market that is constructed to be long. Yeah, I know. It'll be the death of me as well, like trying to always pick the reversal point or see the market as being, you know, too overextended. Like, look at this. There is no such thing as too overextended, clearly. Like, it will just continue to rally here, probably. And so in that case, it is probably a better idea to form some sort of trade idea in the form of a continuation setup rather than a reversal. So that is my problem. We'll see. I mean, the trade is not over. We could still take the win here. It is my valid setup. So whether market conditions are with or against me today, guys, I am taking this setup and I'm risking literally 12 points on this. So I am okay with the risk. Oh, Leia's giving me the update. We're nowhere near close coming out. If everyone smashes that like button, we'll get there. Guys, we need to do a giveaway today. We need to do multiple. I mean, if we don't, then it's just going to be, we will do one later today, but it's going to be in like 3 hours. Whereas if you do smash 385 likes before Nick gets here, we will do giveaway as soon as he comes. The next 20 minutes. Go. Amir, how many losing trades for you to walk away? It's 2 losing trades, and then I will stop trading those accounts. So luckily I don't copy trade this across everything. So I can just trade different accounts in the New York session. Whereas I entered before you, so don't worry. I like the rejection, but now it seems like the other way. I mean, you just gotta let price do its thing. You just have to. Like, if it's your setup, take it. And the fact is, because I've traded this so many times, and have the data and the back testing, then I can just be happy to take the setup and walk away. I don't have to micromanage. It is what it is. If it doesn't work, that's fine. I'm totally aware of that. It's not going to work 100% of the time. And don't think it ever is. Don't think because you get in a trade that price has to go to your TP. That's just like a toxic mindset to have. You can absolutely lose. You can absolutely be wrong. And that is okay. Weak sweep, if the setup is valid, why does your table not indicate it? Good question. It's because the setup was formed on ES. So I'm taking this as a form of SMT. So we didn't get the intermediate time frame sweep here. So that's got a cross next to it. But we did on ES. So that's why then the inversion doesn't count here because there was no sweep prior. But it's a little bit confusing, but pretty much this setup would have been perfect on ES. So then I'm taking NQ as the setup. Pizza giveaway. Maybe. We do have pizza on the spin the wheel. You never know. Yes, Amir, taking this on evals. As I was saying before, like taking these sorts of trades in these market conditions on fundeds is not my thing. I'm taking this on evals and evals only. Just because I understand the market conditions right now are not in my favor. The Ripper A candle is delayed on Tradeify with TradingView. I lost my eval by that. What? You lost a whole eval because of a delay? Make sure you're logged in on TradingView to have the current data. My data is not delayed. Strange. Guys, is anyone in longs, in shorts right now? Doesn't look like we are gonna get the drop here. Very close to London Open as well. Let's see. I'm aware we SMT'd this low as well. Interesting, because we didn't quite we didn't tap into that 15-minute gap on NQ, but we did on ES. So a little bit concerning, but we wait. We just let price do its thing. Orders are on, that's it. Waiting for London Open. 100%. It probably is best to wait for London Open if you haven't had a setup like either way right now, because we are sort of in this chop, I guess. Right now. So hopefully we're breaking out of this chop soon. And this is the 1 minute chart. But it does look a lot messier on the 1 minute. If we scale up, even 5 minute, not so clean. But come on, NQ, surely a pullback today. Do we have to fill the Google form once per day or second time when Nick is there? It depends how Nick wants to run it. I think we'll just get you guys to fill it out once though. We'll see. In TradingView, you need to purchase CME data, otherwise charts are not proper. I don't know. I've never purchased the data, I think. I don't even know, to be honest. But it's I think as long as this is green and you don't have like the exclamation mark thing or the orange. I think the orange one means you have delayed data. Maybe I have purchased CME data, actually. I have no idea. But I'm pretty sure that comes with your Tradeify. We have like Tradeify linked to Tradeify, and then you have your account. I think you get it for free with Tradeify. Hojoga Bonito, do you think trading ES is easier because of the war? I don't know about that. I don't know if like trading, it depends how you like to trade, I guess, is the answer to that. I think people who trade breakouts and these continuations will probably find it easier because we just get pumps and we just have so much volume to one side of the market right now. Maybe it is easier for those, but for others, it's not so easy right now. Reversals are just not playing out like they usually would. But let's see. We are not looking so good here. Yeah, Ivan, hell no. Trading during the war, it's crazy. Literally, it is. Hey, fly high to Mill. Good morning. How did your yesterday's trade go? The Riaz, I got stopped out. I just went over that just before, if you want to rewind. I went to dinner. I was holding it in drawdown for a while, and then while I was at dinner, it hit stop loss. And it happened. It was so weird. Like after we entered the stream, there was like a 1 minute candle that just dropped. I was like, I had taken partials, so I did take some profits. So the loss wasn't as bad, but yeah, it was just incredible the timing of it because the market was sort of slowly grinding up, and as soon as we got upstream, there was like a 1 minute candle that just dropped out of nowhere. No idea. No idea. Miss Guffer, when you say bias is based on the 4-hour candle, do you mean the candle color or the 4-hour structure, sweep, OB displacement? Okay, so no, not the candle color, but the actual 4-hour previous. So once we get a sweep of either the previous 4 hours high or low, I will base the trades for the London session based on that. So right now we've had a sweep of the previous 4 hours high, as well as a sweep of Asia high. So that for me signaling some key levels have been swept here, and we also have a 4-hour candle right now that has little to no down wick, so I'm expecting to see some sort of pullback, retracement, bearish move to the downside to create that wick, and also retrace some of this heavily bullish move that we've had. But yeah, we will see if the bears want to come out here. I'm very close to stop loss here. In fact, I might just cover this high, 26,486. Since we're there anyway, I'm just gonna 486. There we go. Just in case we want to sweep this high, I have my stop just above there. All right. Does anyone's trading view not printing data? No, my trading view is perfectly fine. Where is Nick? Nick is coming, guys. Nick will be here in literally 8 minutes. So I'm gonna check the like counts. What are we at? 265. It's nowhere near enough. Guys, we said 385. I'll do a giveaway. And I'll bring Nick on right now. Right now, nothing. Whoa, Johnny. Johnny, no one can fucking answer. What is the question, Johnny? Can I ask a question? Yes, Johnny, go ahead. Have you asked it? Johnny, what is your question? Let me check your channel activity. Oh, not go to channel. Channel activity for Johnny_soap. Is it all-time highs or not? Damn, Johnny, I do not... You know, Johnny, first of all, there is only one of me, so it is impossible to see everyone's questions all the time. If I read out your chat history, it is pretty hilarious. Celine, I have a damn question. Celine, he's already cooked. Celine, I have a question. I have a question about the charts right now. Celine, I have a question. Celine. Yes, we are at all-time highs to answer your questions, Johnny. I apologize that I didn't see it sooner, but yes. Yes, indeed. We are at all-time highs. Now, well, if this stop loss stays intact, we are goated. We are goated. That is hilarious. Brian's Johnny, let it out, bro. It's a safe place here. That's hilarious. Johnny, honestly, like sometimes we don't... Nick and I, even when we're both on, will not get to everyone's comments, and you just need to bear with us. Like, we're doing a lot here. I'm trading, trying to answer questions at the same time. It's a lot. It's a lot. Celine, why are you so nice to bullies? I would have just kicked. No, because I know people go through shit, Dion, and I'm just trying to be the better person. Because I know he's probably just having a bad day, and he's taking it out on me. And you know what? I just gotta be understanding. But if he does it again, Johnny, if you want to talk like that again, I will kick you. And best believe Nick will kick. If Nick was here, he would have kicked you already for talking like that. But I'll be the nice one today, and I'll give you a second chance. But I did answer your question. We are at all-time highs. Mexican dance W perspective. Well, it's just true. It's true. Usually the ones that are being mean, I mean, this dates back to high school days. The bullies are the ones who are going through the shit the most. So that's the one thing we need to remember. The mean people out there, the ones that are trolling, trying to talk shit. And even when it comes to trading, trying to like talk down on your trading, trying to tell you can't do this. Pretty much the ones that are the unsuccessful ones, or the ones that are, yeah, doing life tough. So you always got to think about that. But guys, we need to bring on a certain someone here in a minute. So I need the like counts to be up. Otherwise, we're not going to bring him on. We are 4 minutes from that time. And at the moment, it doesn't look like we're going to bring him on. We need... How many more likes do we need? Let's see. Whoa, let me refresh. That can't be true. How many likes are we at? Whoa, we are not even at 300 likes. Chat. 385 likes is what we need to do a giveaway. We need it before Nick comes, otherwise there is no such thing. And there is plenty of you here watching right now. Don't even try. Don't even try it. If there is 474 of you, we need 80, not even, less than 80 more likes, and we'll do a giveaway. And I'll bring Nick on. And that is insane if you don't do it in the next 2 minutes. Ridiculous. Come on. There is way too many of you here for that not to be hit. And I want to give an account away. Because we've been hitting that every day. We've been doing multiple giveaways on the London session stream, and why not keep that up? Johnny. In a minute, if you ask that one more time, I will actually kick you. And I'll have no problems doing that. We are at all-time highs. What would you like to know? All-time highs were previously on NQ. That sounds like when you first start like an episode. Previously on the NQ. All-time highs we're sitting at 26,399. All right, there you go. This is the current day's candle. We are well and truly above that. I am shorting all-time highs, Johnny. That is it. The end. Do not ask it again, otherwise you will be kicked. If you have another question, fair enough, go ahead, but we don't need to keep being spammed by you. Banhammer. Oh, 1104 says Banhammer is needed for these dumb questions. See, I'm being relatively nice, Johnny. These guys would have kicked you already, and I know I know Nick would have. I have to keep an eye on the back room here because we will be getting joined by a certain someone very soon. I'm going to just make sure that... Yes, guys, I am in a short at all-time highs. I'm crazy. And we're about to have London open volume, so I think I am going to get stopped just as we open here. But I'm okay with the risk. I'm okay with the risk. All right, let's see. Let's see the likes. What are we at? 340. We're very close. 45 more likes from 45 more of you. There is enough of you here to hit that. What is Johnny saying now? At Celine. 603. What? On Tradesy chart. What? Guys, Johnny, I have no idea what you're talking about. And Johnny, on that note, we are joined by a certain somebody in the back room here. But I just first have to check on these likes to see what we're sitting at. See whether I can unlock him or not. 352. Guys, we need 35 more likes. I don't know whether you're going to get there. He's doing these ones in the back. Come on. 35 more likes. I'll give you guys one more minute. Quick, because London's already open and we got to release him out of his cage. Unless you guys get there, I'm not bringing Nick on. Too bad, so sad. What are we at? Quick refresh. Quick. 67. All right, we're just going to bring him on. You know what? We'll let him out of his cage. I'm ready. All right. Introducing. Why are you shaking your head? Oh, okay. He's saying no.
They gotta hit your goal. Come on now. What else?
All right. Fine. Yeah, I'm being too nice. These guys saying I'm being too nice today. All right. I need to find... Let's see what we're at. 10 more. We're almost there. 10 more and we unlock him. 10 more likes. Let's go. What are we at? I think we're almost there. We're almost there. Come on. They just don't want to do it. They don't want the giveaway either. Oh, we're so close, chat. 378 likes and he can come out. I mean, 385. We're at 378. Come on. Oh, so close. I need to refresh one more time. We've probably got there. Are we there? Oh, one more like. Nick, you better like it.
One more. Oh, actually, I haven't liked it. Wait, let me like it.
There we go. We smashed it. All right, 385 likes. Smash. Let's bring them on. Hold on. Before we do, Roman, let me introduce you to the YT wearing, hand over moving, GP trading, biohacking, mutual catching, steak with ketchup, abusing, sample trolling, intro creating, KFC hating, Five Guys loving, paddle playing, tennis playing, squash playing, water guzzling, chap banning, skydiving, shark swimming, parkour champion, salmon mango, sushi loving, switch battle winning, super slippery, sock walking, accent king, definitely not CPI full potting. No prep marathon running, the one and only Nicholas Wickle.
Good morning, good morning, good morning, morning. Good to be back, good to be back, good to be back. Heinz Steak already knows. Put them ones in the chat if you love the solo hour with Celine, because she absolutely crushes it every single day for you guys. Put a one in the chat if you love your family. Put a one in the chat if you love trading. Put a one in the chat if you love making money. Put a one in the chat if you love putting ones in the chat. Come on, give us those ones in the chat. There we go. All right, how you doing, Celine? All good?
I'm good. I'm actually in a trade at the moment.
How are you? How are you liking these all-time highs?
I'm shorting them right now. Wait, were you here for Johnny's comments?
Nope. What did he say?
Oh, we were having a big discussion about all-time highs, but we'll see. I've told him if he's going to bring it up again, he's getting banned.
What's the discussion?
Well, actually, discussion's the wrong word. He just kept asking, are we at all-time highs? Are we at all-time highs? What were the last all-time highs? Celine, look at his chat history. He's like, Celine, I need to ask a question. Are we at all-time highs? Look, he's going again. What is the real number for all-time highs?
I mean, all-time high on NQ right now is 26,486.
Right now it is. And then he was like, he's losing his mind. I said, if you do that shit when Nick's around, he'll probably get the ban hammer. So Johnny, stop with the trolling.
I mean, Pedro's Pros is more annoying though. Look at that. June contract has different all-time high. June contract has different all-time high. June contract has different all-time high.
Guys, we're not talking all-time highs anymore. Enough. We're at all-time highs. That's all you need to know.
It's very simple. This is all-time high, 26,486.
Yep. That is the highest point the NQ has ever gone in history. It's also my stop loss. I'm shorting this.
And that is correct. I mean, honestly, here's the thing. I don't hate the shorts. I don't hate the shorts at all. However, you might need a little bit more wiggle room, like to the upside. So it could be that it still goes a bit higher. It could be that it still goes to like 26,600, right? That can happen. But but definitely, I do not hate these shorts. Like we are, if you don't count, let's go to my screen really quick, Roman. If you don't count Good Friday, the holiday that we had, right? Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 green sessions. Like if you count today, if you don't count today, then 11 green days in a row, and a total up move of so far 3,526 points. So obviously at a certain point, there will be a red day, right? And as said, this red day here, of course, I see it Friday, the 3rd of April. That was Good Friday, a holiday. So not really a trading day. You can also see this by just measuring what this day actually did. It only had 157 points throughout the entire day. So that's why I say, I don't hate these shorts. Also, we do not have a real wick. We do have a small wick to the downside, but not really. And you just might need to have more wiggle room, but I don't hate it at all.
Yeah, I was telling them, like, I understand that I'm definitely shorting against, obviously, the bullish market structure and the bullish trend. So that's why I'm size small and I have a stop loss in. And if it's wrong, it's wrong. But, like, I think just in these conditions, it is hard to, like, trade reversals because you're pretty much saying, like, all right, this is the top. Although, like, it is working out. But I'm only in this for a short 20 points and then I'm out, honestly. I'm not trying to pick the tops here.
Johnny Soap, I know what your problem is. If you go back to my screen, Roman, you just have B adjust on. If you have B adjust on, then yes, your all-time high is up here at 26,564, but that's not the true all-time high. Take B adjust off and your all-time high is gonna be where it's supposed to be at 26,486. So that's your problem.
Oh, he says, thanks, man. All right, good. I'm glad we got that. His question was never clear either. He just kept saying, is this all-time highs? What? Like, it's just, it was very erratic. Anyway, we're done. We're done with that, Johnny. I hope Nick helped you out there. We don't have to hear about that anymore.
Also, did you tell them there's going to be a giveaway when they unlock me or what?
Yes, we unlocked.
Well, yeah, let's do it.
Let's
do it. That means if you want to participate in this giveaway, chat, all you got to do is like the stream, subscribe to the channel, and once I send you the link to the Google form, fill out that Google form, but only do it once. If you do it more than once, you will get disqualified. If you ask me where the form is, you will get disqualified as well. And that will be very bad for you because then you cannot win and that would suck. So here's the form. Good luck. Damn, that rhymed. Hell yeah.
Good luck. That would suck and good luck.
Your short's playing out. Look at that.
Yeah, crazy times. Shorting all-time highs. This will be interesting. The longs yesterday, I just went over there with the chat that I was in, got stopped in the end. So annoying. Because the market ended up rallying, but why should we have stop losses is what I'm starting to feel like these days.
Very close, Heinz. Nick, where are you from? Very close. 11:04, where is Nick? You guys are stupid.
I like the short given that we don't have the 4-hour down week. Yes, Petros Bros. That's exactly why I like this as well. Let's see.
The Ripper. Why not a Kahoot? We could play a Kahoot. That would be funny, actually.
Oh, Kahoot. Yes. Kahoot.
Kahoot, ja.
Yeah,
Hallo.
can we play Kahoot?
Kahoot, ja, hallo.
H.O. Yoga Bonita says, I haven't seen Celine lose a trade, by the way. Well, I'm just not on stream when I lose my trade. Yesterday's trade did not win. And the trade last week on stream didn't win either. So not true. I do lose.
Womp womp.
Meow, 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 meow.
Meow, 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 meow. Yeah, it's a favorite song.
We should do a Kahoot. We should do a Kahoot for a giveaway. They have to, whoever answers, all the questions.
It would be funny. Let me just try and see how we could set this up. Because I'm sure there are like trading Kahoots. Let me find one.
Ern Sicastro. I called this short, then I got stopped early. Sad. Yeah, I almost got stopped on this. I'm very, very lucky for this. Stop was at 26,486, and that high is actually 485. Whoa, 1 point away from stop, and then a drop.
Looking for a good Kahoot here.
Oh my, Johnny. Guys, all-time highs pushes past NQ613. What are you talking about, Johnny? It's not fucking all-time highs, he's saying. Russell,
Johnny,
I don't know.
why you stupid?
Why are you so aggressive also? Why are you aggressive? MNQ took the high. Interesting. I only use NQ for the executions in the charting. ACT Celine, I had a long and it was 2 points away from TP and then it dumped. Oh, yeah, literally. I've been on that side too, KCT. I've been on that side.
Looking for a short Kahoot.
Surely there's one on the internet.
Yeah, I'm looking. I'm looking. The thing is, there are many. I just need to find a good one that is not too long and that is also has like good questions, because otherwise. There's actually not a lot on trading.
Maybe we need to make one ourselves, but that would take a long time.
Yeah, I'm not gonna do that. Trading strategies, okay. Okay, this is a short one. Let's see.
Lucifer, Johnny, bro, you on something? I don't even know. He's on definitely something. We are not actually at all-time highs yet. Johnny, I swear, Nick answered you. What?
I found one.
Oh, good. Yes.
Chat, it's giveaway time. Whoever wins this gets to spin the wheel. So if you scan this QR code right now, or go to kahoot.it, put in the game pin 3775243, and then we're gonna play a game.
Yay! This is sick.
Oh, we got MX RPG in there.
You know, we're probably gonna crash Kahoot. The amount of people that are about to join.
You can have hundreds of people in there. It's not a problem. Okay,
Wyatt, I see you.
Is that Pancake Patty? This freaking koala bear with a pancake on the head?
It probably is.
Come on now.
Whoa. There's so many people joining. This is going to be so much fun. I feel like we used to do this at school all the time. Did you ever do Kahoot?
I love Kahoot. Kahoot is awesome. Okay. We got the people. Justin, what's up? I see you.
Bodie Trades.
Marco Sapp, what's up? Rocking
Johnny
the hat.
McKee, I see you.
Nice. SW, the wolf. I'll give you 2 more minutes to join.
There's so many.
That's gonna be funny. There's already 140 people in there. That's gonna be funny. Trump, we got Trump in there. Damn, Donnie, I didn't know you watch Tradeify TV. What the hell?
Of course he does. He needs to know what the market's gonna do. Oh no, wait, he's the market mover.
Okay. Pino, Pavel, with the pancakes on the head as well. Look at that. Let's go back to the charts really quick while you all sign up. You're not breaking yet, right?
No. Ivan says, wait, what's going on? We're doing a Kahoot. If you guys are just joining, make sure you quickly get in because we're doing the giveaway this way. So if you want to win an account, you better join the Kahoot real quick.
We got waffles on the head. We got pancakes on the head. We got pie on the head. All right, I'll close it at 200. 5 more. Oh, 7 more. We dropped out.
What?
194, 195, 194, 197, 198. 200. All right, start. Boom. Da, 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 da.
We get to hear the music?
I don't know, but Roman, we might need to adjust that screen share. It's not in the middle. What the heck? Okay, how long do I hold a swing trade? It's the first question. Huh? No, it's not on mine. It's just because it's full screen. Wait, let me reshare. How long do I hold a swing trade is the question. Nope, doesn't work. I'll just share my full screen. Wait. There you go. All right. We got 99 people. 99 people who got it right. Okay, nice. Next. Bueno Trading.
Bueno Trading in the lead.
How long do I hold a day trade? Oh my God, these questions are so crazy. Hey, whoever wins this gets to spin the wheel and gets a free account, okay? Same day, more than one day, until I blow my account. Well, that's obvious. It's obviously until I blow my account. Obviously until I blow my account. That's how long I hold a day trade.
What is the stop loss?
Some people actually press that. You're stupid. Okay, next. Who's in the lead? Currently, Wesley and Q. Look at that. Okay, how long do I hold a scalp? Well, if you're Miriam, half a second. Not quick at all. 2 minutes, forever, or hours.
I love how they show that guy's scalp.
Yeah, they actually show the scalp. That's funny. Johnny, last time I say this, do not have B-adjust on. If you have B-adjust on, it's going to show you the wrong all-time high. If you're going to try and say anything else one more time, I'll ban you for the day from the chat. Because what you say is bullshit. All right, next question. Currently in the lead, we still got Wesley. Wesley. Look at that. Oh, what does ORB mean? Organization for Retired Bikers, Online Recipe Book, or Opening Range Breakout.
I wonder.
That is very difficult. I think it's an organization for retired bikers.
Oh, I was going to say it's a recipe. That's interesting.
Oh, we actually got 9 people who got it wrong. Congrats, guys. You failed. All right, Wesley is, Wesley's
Wesley holding the lead.
Look at that. For the orb strategy, how long until you can use this? What the fuck? Hour after market open, 50-minute after market open, 30-minute after market open. Ooh, that's a trick question. That's an unfair question.
That's sort of
because technically
all three.
all the answers are correct. But the question is, what did the person think who made this quiz? I would say they thought 15 minutes, but
yeah, I would have said yeah.
All right. Oh, Ren overtook Wesley. Look at that.
You guys got to be quick.
This is the third last question, 6 of 8. Which part of the candle do you mark for the orb strategy? Closing price is only of first 15 minutes, high and low in the first 15 minutes. Let's see.
How many questions are there?
There are 2 more after. 2 more. The winner gets a free account. High and low in the first 15 minutes. 33 people got it wrong. Currently in the lead, still Ren. Okay. We got a little, we got MX PRPG who came up here. Nice. Second last question. To not get faked out of the orb, what should you do? Damn, this person who made this is an orb trader, huh? Wait for confirmation, candle closes above, or you won't. The strategy is 100%. Come on now.
What? Is anyone actually going to get this wrong?
If anybody gets this wrong, shame on you.
Quit trading.
On you. 16 people?
They're trolling.
Okay, Ren, staying in the lead. Last question.
How many more questions? All right. Is it going to be Ren?
What do you always do before taking a trade? Check pulse, take some deep breaths, or add as much confidence as possible.
Interesting.
Let's see. 6 more seconds until we find out who the winner is of this giveaway. All right. We got 37 people who got it wrong. Congrats. Let's see the podium. Third place, we got Laurencia with the pancakes in the head. Second place, we got Wesley. And first place, we got... Oh, drum roll, please.
Who is it?
Ren. 6. Hey, Ren, congrats. Congrats. I see you already typed in the chat. Sick. Fire.
Nice. Congrats.
Everybody who tried. So that means let's spin the wheel for Ren, I would say.
That was fun. We got to make Kahoots a usual thing.
We gotta have a good one, though. This one is shit.
That one was shit. That was all about orb.
Okay, so Ren, I'm spinning the wheel for you. You win a 50k select account. Nice, Ren.
Nice.
The question is, do you want to play a game of 0, 1, double, or triple? Let's see.
Oh, Leia, did you miss it? Leia said, how do people join the Kahoot? We were showing it on screen for a little bit, but you had to be there.
All right, Ren says, no, I will take it. All right, smart decision probably. Nice. So, Ren, congrats. You won a 50k select account. All you got to do is add your email address to your YouTube channel description and make sure it's the email address that you use to log into your Tradeify accounts. Because if it's not, we will not be able to send you your accounts. But congrats, fire. First Kahoot in Tradeify TV history.
Love it. That was fun. If we have better questions, maybe I'll do some research after the stream to find a better one.
Yeah, that one was a bit too easy.
Yeah.
A little bit too easy. Okay, well, how's your trade doing?
I'm actually in drawdown now, so it did come low. It didn't come quite to the low, so I kept the trade on. I'm also risking what is this stop is like 12.75 points, so I'm happy to leave the full stop there just in case to give it room to retrace a bit. But yeah, ES left that low intact, NQ also, so didn't quite get to TP. Just gonna see how this goes now.
All right. The Ripper A says, reset my eval for this idea. Nope.
you can only win this if you have good internet, they're saying. Well, in that case, I would lose. But yeah, Kahoot is like who can be the fastest and also the most accurate. So.
Correct. Wait, is Johnny still yapping?
Yes.
Johnny.
Does Tracy
have a B adjust? Let's see. Not sure. But what does it matter? Because just look in Trading View.
Exactly. Just use Trading View to chart and whatever you need to do, and then execute on Tracy.
All right.
Oh, and Q, what are we doing?
Are we gonna make a new all-time high here? Maybe.
My stop is the all-time high. So
your stop is the all-time high. Look at that. Getting stopped out at all-time highs. That's brutal.
Well, I'm the idiot trying to pick the tops here. Denzel Celine, your trade is getting in profit, then in drawdown. You are in the middle. Right now, yes. Yes. But I wasn't happy. I didn't get the full move, so I kept the trade on.
Ivan says, I've been on the long since 460. I'm up 1K. So you're up 19 points and you're up 1K. So 1,000 divided by 19 means 52. So you're trading with 25 micros or 3 minis. What account size do you have? The Business Lens says, stupid quiz, only favorite fast internet. Sounds like somebody didn't win.
Amor, it's saying you never cut your trade manually? Never. You will never ever see me cut a trade early. Absolutely not. Maybe like a year ago, yes, I would have been scared of drawdown.
Johnny, I warned you. You're getting a ban for... I'm going to give you 10 minutes.
Yeah, he really needs to just...
I'll give you 10 minutes. If you come back after 10 minutes and you bring this up again, because again, it's wrong. If you bring it up again, I will ban you for the rest of the day. Patrick says, nah, I agree. I had a 5-second delay. It's not an even playing field. Sounds like somebody else lost.
Guys, it's just a game. And we'll do the spin the wheel. We'll do the giveaway form for the next... Well, if we get to the like count, actually.
There's another giveaway? Holy.
Yeah, I was going to say, wait, hold on a minute.
What's the like go for that?
What are we at? Let's have a look. Let's say... Wait, what did we do yesterday? Can I say 700 or is that too crazy? What did we do yesterday?
I mean... Pancake Patty says, pancake to your smug face there, game overlord. Dude, you still gonna make me those pancakes? What the hell? Let's make it 677.
All right, 677. 677. Initial Maverick, will TTV be doing crypto streams? We do. We actually have a whole team dedicated to crypto streaming, and you can watch them from 8 AM Eastern every day.
Yeah, they actually start 30 minutes before the future stream. So, and they're doing a great job. They deserve way more viewers. So check them out. Pancake Patty. Now actually making sense. Yeah, whoever came up with it, the Ripper A, who came up with this idea, said, I can turn on the questions on your screen. So we're going to do this next time. You know, this was the first time. Chill, guys. I'm sorry that we gave away a free account. Really sorry.
Yeah, I'm really sorry about that. We'll do better next time. Nikolai Lishkov. No way we get to 6 set. Wait, I need to practice the Russian accent.
Nikolai. Привет, my friend. There is no way we get to 677. My brother, you just don't have faith in yourself. Why you don't
I
have
need to practice.
faith in yourself, brother? Bliet.
Brat.
Bliet.
I'm Bulgarian,
Not
damn.
Brett. It's not Brett.
What is
Bliet.
it?
Bliet.
Blit.
Yeah, almost.
How do you spell it?
Roman's gonna hit you for that one.
Roman, how do you spell it? Brat.
Bliet. Bliet. Bliet.
Blit. Blit. Ah, okay.
It's a bad word. Don't say bliet.
Blit. Amit, where is Potato? Potato is fast asleep.
Yeah, very. Very much so.
All I hear is my name is
Sleep.
Jen. Oh, kids, that's funny. Slam Kowalski, does MNQ and NQ have different all-time highs? They would. They actually would. If we bring up MNQ. All-time high on MNQ is 480. Okay, no. They're actually on exact same price today. 486.50. 486. Back at break even in this trade now. Just hanging around.
Hanging around in the shorty short. Damn, it's so hot in my office today. Let me open the window.
Almost summer there in Switzerland. Switzerland. Hey, Jimmy Trades. How are you, legends? We're good. You just missed out the Kahoot. It was a pretty terrible Kahoot, but you still missed out. Nikolai. I'll work on that. He says, if I win an account, do I need to be a customer of yours to claim the prize? Well, yes, you need to have your Tradeify email in order to claim the prize.
But you don't have to. You don't have to buy an account. To be clear, like you can win a free account without ever having paid anything. You just need a login.
Tie 3. Hi to Celine, China woman. Please.
1104. I think you caught him. I think you caught him. Logan Roy? What?
What?
Ripper A says Logan Roy. What?
What language is that?
I don't know. Well, I don't know what he means. I'm confused. Confused. I need help.
You sound like Voldemort.
Oh, Harry Potter.
Wait, that was actually so good. Harry Potter.
Harry Potter. Ursula.
Voldemort, is that you? What the hell?
Yeah. Nigon won a giveaway Tuesday on marbles, and yesterday you gifted me one. Is it possible for mine to go on his name? It will be easier to manage. Oh God, no, this is getting complicated.
Oh.
Yeah, Ursula, we can't do that. I'm sorry. Potter.
Avada Kedavra.
Avada Kedavra. Harry Potter.
That's actually so good, Nick. What the hell? You need to audition for the next Harry Potter, I swear. No, wait. Wait, where did it come from? Your chest? Avada Kedavra.
Harry Potter. Sakuna. Hey, Nick, yo, you look like Spider-Man Andrew Garfield. I get this a lot, actually. It's funny. I get this a lot.
Potential.
Honestly, Lucifer, I have no idea what Snape sounds like. I never heard his English voice, because when I watched Harry Potter, which was a long time ago, I watched it in German. So
Oh
And
my
even
gosh,
that I
that's
have,
ridiculous.
even that I have no idea how he sounded like.
Imagine Harry Potter in German. That is just ridiculous. That'd be so
Ja, der
funny.
Harry Potter, oder? Abracadabra.
Oh my god, that would be so funny. I actually want to see what it sounds like. It's actually weird to think that Harry Potter is probably in multiple languages. That's so weird. Do his laugh? Oh yeah, Voldemort's laugh is the best. Hard to do though. Indian Harry Potter.
Harry Potter.
Oh, he went there. I was gonna say
Wait, what?
not.
Wait, what?
What? Nothing. You just like reciting a movie line.
Harry Potter, abracadabra. Wait, who said that? Who said that?
Who said that? That wasn't on stream because we didn't see it.
Nope. I wasn't here. I went on a short break.
Internet cut out. Just chopping around.
I think that might be the solution, Celine.
Just
Just like turn off the camera.
internet cut out.
I wasn't here.
Legally, it wasn't us. It was the
And
voice.
then I used the voice changer too, and nobody can ever prove it was me.
No shit. Yes, Indian accent returns.
The comeback.
Oh god.
By the way, Roman, quick shout out to you. Look at that. When I asked you, is the market short or long? You said long. That was that was here. I got stopped out, of course, because you fucked me over with your liquidity grab. I know that. But since then, we have gone up. We have gone up. What's that? What's that? Like, wait, more. We've gone up almost 500 points. Roman is the market maker, I swear. Look how he stopped me out first, though.
And he never said to put a stop, to be fair.
He said market goes up, and look what the market did. We gotta use Roman signals more often.
Yeah. He's just lying about having no trading experience. I think he's traded before, guys.
Yeah. Love it.
Sometimes I wish the chat could hear him.
Lucifer's asking Roman, should I short? Roman?
Yes or no, Roman?
He says no. Okay.
All right, and Q, what are we doing?
Wait, Johnny's back?
Has it been 10 minutes already?
Johnny says, why would you block me for asking a question if you're shooting all-time highs and you're not there yet? Johnny, like the reason I'm blocking you, the reason I'm banning you is not because you're asking a question. The reason I'm banning you, and this is serious talk now, is because you're asking a question. I give you the answer to the question. You don't believe me and you try to argue with me. If you don't like the truth, then just leave it, you know? And if you just want to bang this argument over and over and over again, I will go and ban you from the chat because it's fucking annoying. You know, we like to have fun. We like to have good vibes here. And then if somebody comes in and asks a question, I give the answer and he says no. It's like, yeah, okay, fuck you. Get out of here, you know? Respectfully.
Yeah, and I was very patient with you, Johnny, also. So it's not like we dealt with this for 5 minutes. I pretty much dealt with this the entire first hour of the session. All right, Isildur says, how many likes for a giveaway? We said 677, and we're going to do another giveaway. So make sure you smash the like button. And yeah, we'll do that. And guys, this is what... Oh, yeah, go.
Adib says, let's go back to flat earth versus round earth.
Oh, no.
Yes, please. Let's do it. Any flat earthers in the chat?
Oh God, I'm not here for this.
I think I just opened Pandora's box.
Oh God, please get me out of here. My brain cells.
Hey, G4Geo asking now for lunch. G4Geo, are you Suriluki's alt account?
Wait, what?
I haven't had lunch yet.
Jackster. My lunch. I went out to a cafe, had a baguette, le baguette, and I had poulet. Poulet in French is chicken.
Poulet, yeah. Also in German, you can use the word.
Poulet avec tomato and mayonnaise and sun-dried tomato and rocket and all the nice stuff. Like a chicken and sandwich. Baguette. That's it.
Baguette. Also, Johnny, if you still are stupid, then go to Google, type in NASDAQ futures all-time high. As of April 16, 2026, NASDAQ futures NQ reached new all-time highs in the 26,400 plus range, driven by a strong tech rally, blah, 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 blah.
Celine, can you talk about this extended push for days now without any retracement? Leaking blob. I was talking about this earlier on in the stream. Yes, we have had, Nick just showed you guys before as well, like 11 straight green candles on the daily, day after day after day. So these are crazy market conditions. And I said I probably haven't traded in this sort of market since I started trading, really, a couple of years ago. So for me, it's new territory to be trading in such bullish conditions, like what a rally we're seeing right now. And the way I like to trade is obviously the pullbacks and the retracements and the reversals. So it is hard. It has been hard for me to not see the market in this continuation, like expansion, that it just keeps proving me wrong every day. But yeah, I mean, there are definitely like now that we're beyond all-time highs as well, it is even more difficult because there is no structure to the left to be to anchor to or to use for, like, you know, swing points or where you think we could target. Like now we're in literally no man's land and you could just long this and be right. Honestly, there's not much to work with here. So it's hard trading conditions, trading at all-time highs right now.
Okay, Johnny, now we're getting somewhere. He says, okay, let me rephrase my question. He says, okay, you're right. Let me rephrase my question. Why does TradeC have an all-time high 200 points above? That is a great question. And I think we need to ask the tech team. Oh, you're saying again, we're not past all-time. Okay, get the fuck out of here, man. You're banned for 24 hours. Oh, you annoying piece of shit.
What was he on about? I still don't understand. Was he had an issue with me trading?
I was just about to, get friendly again with him. And then he has to double down.
I don't know. I don't know. Looks like, guys, there is the stop. There is the new all-time high, Johnny.
New all-time high, Johnny, just for you.
Just as we got him out of here. All right, so all in all, happy with that because it was the plan. It was a 12-point stop. I had my stop at the literal all-time highs. And wasn't happy to take full profits off or any profit because we didn't get quite down to the lows. Neither did we didn't also on ES. So yeah, trade managed how I wanted to, how I planned to, and it is a loss. And we move on.
What happens? That is fine.
There you go. To the person in the chat today that said I never see Celine lose. There you go. It's real.
There you go. Yeah. Yep. The business lens. You're on thin ice, my friend. On very thin ice. Aw, Ozempic says, Patrick, you're my all-time high. Cute. We got a little love story here in the chat. Look at that.
In the chat.
Look at that.
What did Johnny say? Well, we're not going to go over it. If you were there, you were there. It's already taken up so much of this stream. All right, who faded me? Who took TP at that high? Who's in the longs? Ciao, I miss Johnny.
I miss Johnny. Funny. Wait, HE Trader, why should Ozempic and I get a room? Ozempic and Patrick should get a room. Not me. They are doing the Hakuna Matata, not me.
Hakuna Matata.
Mm-hmm.
That's one way to put it. Hi, 3. I have a bot that auto fades you. I wonder how that's working out.
How is working out? Hiya.
Natalie, I don't think that's a bad idea. Oh, wait, go. Sorry.
Yeah, what? What's up with Natalie?
Natalie's in long the whole day. Let's see how it goes. I said that's a good idea. Not
The
a
thing
bad
is,
idea.
the thing is just like I don't hate it, but the thing is with every day that is green, it's more and more likely that we get a red day.
Yeah, and I'm banking on that. I'm waiting for the day we just correct. Well, not even, just like a bit of a retracement.
Mexican dance, that's some proper analysis there. One news thing is gonna send us one way or another. That's genius. That's genius, bro. Genius.
Yeah, Natalie, 100%. It is frustrating trying to short, and that's just because it's so much easier to trade a long now. Just literally long at any given point because we are so bullish and there's no price action to the left to even consider. So it is hard to actually think that this is the top and to short it, but it can happen at any time. You do have to be careful.
Stereo, the daily candles do have bottom wicks. They're just very small. Zoom in.
Down 300. As long as you're happy with the risk, I was absolutely fine with taking a 12-point risk with one mini. Absolutely okay. That's the part of like trading that's really important to narrow down, like your risk management. If you know it's a A+ setup, you should be sizing up, or if you know it's sort of like, you know, you have market conditions against you, you want to be sizing down. It is a strategy. Risk management is a part of strategy. Short now as we've taken relatively equal highs, Celine. Not my setup, nope. But yeah, you could definitely form some trade idea off that, but it's not enough. It's definitely not enough for me.
I do not hate the shorts here.
Go for it.
Nope, that doesn't mean I go for it. Nope, not yet. Just because I don't hate something doesn't mean I'm gonna do it.
Why not? No.
Oh, you're right. 10 minutes short. Let's go.
Well, wait, what does Roman say now?
You take responsibility if I go 10 minutes short right now?
Nope.
5?
Yep.
Okay, boom, here.
This better not be unfunded.
This is a funded. You told me. You take responsibility.
You would not trade 5 minis on a funded.
You just told me you're gonna take responsibility. What the heck?
What the heck? I thought you were on evals. Let it go in the...
Where's TP?
Zoom in. No TP.
No TP. Okay.
Quick, take profit. Close.
I'm negative. Why would I close?
Zoom in. I can't see your trade properly.
The reason why I'm not scared is because I'm gonna get 2 lightning funded accounts from you, you know? So I'm funded anyways, whatever.
Oh yeah, about that.
So we're gonna do
Take profit.
10 points, 1,000? Is that what you're saying?
Yep. Looks good.
And you said no stop, huh?
Oh, fuck. I can't tell if you're lying about this being unfunded.
No,
you would
look.
never.
I zoom in. Here, F, RTG.
God.
Why? You said you take responsibility. The heck?
What does that mean? Go.
Look, now we move to stop in profit.
There we go.
Easy.
There we go, chat. That's how you make money shorting in the bullish market structure. Oh.
If you tell me go short and you take responsibility, hell yeah, I'll do it. And yeah, by the way, when am I gonna get my 2 Lightning funded accounts? When are you
I'm
gonna
working on that. I need to
Okay.
make some money first.
Okay.
I'm in
And
debt
then?
16,000. Look at that drop. Holy.
Uh-huh.
Let's go. NQ dump it.
Should we just like not have a TP and just trail it?
Yes.
TP?
No, I'm kidding. No, I like the TP here.
You like a TP of 10 points?
Hmm.
Harry Potter!
They're saying remove TP. Guys, no, we're going to trade this with a little bit of...
2,000 TP? Is that what I heard? Like that?
Oh, now you're gambling. Now I'm not responsible anymore. If it gets to 10... All right, if it gets to that 10 point price, we go... Put your TP at 10 points and then we let the rest run. No, you take some off. Take some off.
How much?
3.
3?
Yeah.
At 10 points?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay, let's do 2. Ah, we're out. Look at that.
What the hell?
We got taken out in profit for a crazy $146 in a funded
Woo.
account. We rich now.
But it didn't lose.
Hey, we're back above the break even now. Woo! Look at that.
Oh my god, someone goes, I thought Dumbledore was alive.
Funny. Funny.
Wow. Maybe I'm the Nicholas Wickless today. Nickel Wickle.
Maybe you are. Maybe you are.
Celine, your turn now. 10 minis.
Yeah.
Honestly,
Do it.
I would.
Do it.
I'm gonna do something with this Tradesy account. Let me see how much drawdown I have left. Hold on. One moment.
Lucifer, shut your mouth. Shh, 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 shh. Don't say it.
Don't say
She didn't even read, Lucifer.
it. Wait, I'm trying to. Wait, is there something I need to read? Hold on.
No, there's nothing you need to read. Absolutely nothing.
Wait, he retracted his message.
Okay, it's gone.
What did he say? Say it again.
Oop. You will never find out.
Please don't spam.
Well, she says, say it again or else. Hey, Lucifer, I would be scared, man. Not psych!
Oh, Justin, you're out. See ya.
Wait, what? Hey, leave Justin alone.
One whole minute today, Justin. One whole freaking minute.
Justice for Justin, everybody. We need to
Justice
save
for
him.
Celine, everybody.
We need to save Justin. Justice for 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 Justin. Come on now. Can't just ban people like that.
Yes, we can.
Yeah, Tony. Free Justin. Yeah. FH. Justice for Justin. Yes, Lucifer. Justice for Justin. Justice for Justin. Abby Saraf spelled this wrong. Said justice for Celine. He gets a timeout for 10 seconds.
No.
Justice for Justin. Justice for Justin. Come on now. Come on now.
Right, I'm just gonna full port the rest of this account. Oh no. Actually, I'm gonna wait for it to.
No.
It's better I take a full port long at this point. Let's
A
just
full
wait.
port long. Define full port.
The rest of the draw, the drawdown of the account.
With how many minis?
I think I can probably only afford to risk one mini.
Only a fool to risk one mini. Okay, so do that. How much drawdown do you have left?
700. Wait. $700 in drawdown, guys. So we can only afford. I don't even know how to do the math. 700 divided by 20. 35 point stop loss. No stop loss. We're just gonna long.
Okay, let's see it. I don't
But
think
not
it's the
yet,
best idea.
Uh-huh.
I don't think it's the best idea, but you do you, lady.
Well, what do you think? Oh, are we really shorting here right now?
I mean, it's toppy.
Can I just say, this is really the Nicholas Wickles treatment I got today.
Damn.
They just had to pop back up over the all-time high.
Just a reminder, not saying you did anything wrong. Obviously, you're following your system, but just a reminder what I always say. I would still set my stop higher than the actual high because so often it does this. So often. You would win so many trades. And if you lose 5 points more. Whatever.
Yeah, you're so right. Maybe I gotta start.
And I don't want to like influence you or in any way, shape, or form, but just like it has happened so many times.
No, it's so true. It happens so many times. I need to go back and look at the data here. It's literally 2 points more. 2 points higher, and I would have been safe in this. It's called the Nicholas Wickles. You gotta to defeat it. You just need to have a bit more room.
The Nicholas Wickle.
Yeah, the Nicholas Wickle actually.
Lucifer says advice from someone who always gives Nicholas Wickles. Fair. I can't argue with that. That's very fair. How was game night last night, by the way, chat? Did anybody watch it? Game night with Amas?
Oh yeah, Amas was there. Crazy.
Game night.
What were they playing?
Huh?
I don't know what game they were playing. What did they...
I got no idea. Let's go, Justin.
I'm out from the shackles and I've learned my lessons. No more overnights. Dude, Justin, I don't know why you're such a hater all of a sudden. Where did
He's
you
not a
come
hater.
from?
He's not a hater. He is the one and only Justin. Oh.
Oh my gosh, that's so fucking annoying, NQ. Here's the drop. Seriously.
Seriously, yo.
2 points, and I would have still been in this. I'm going to consider it. You know what? I'm just going to start putting my stop loss a couple points higher. Why not? An extra 3 points. An extra $60 on one mini. It's nothing. Hey, is it better to chart on micros when taking minis? I always just chart on the NASDAQ, the minis chart. That's just what I backtested. That's what I chart on. Plus, sometimes like MNQ doesn't always sweep, whereas NQ would. So I just base it off NQ. Or enter trade at your stop loss. Yeah, that too. That too. Just get straight back in. There's TP, guys. There it is. So if you had your stop loss a little higher than mine, you would have hit TP on this. W's. Nazi is nasty. Yes, Nazi is
Nasty Nazi.
The nasty duck. Oh.
There we go. The duck. Oh shit! It's so hot in my office today. What is happening?
What temperature? You like what? It couldn't be more than like 20 degrees in Switzerland right now.
It's not that hot outside. That's why I'm confused.
It's 12 degrees. Are you crazy?
Yeah, but it's hot in my office, and I don't know why. I'm actually sweating. What the heck?
What the heck? The hell? Alright, am I gonna just full port the long here?
Full port the long?
That can go fack itself. That's the best thing ever.
That's a good one.
Fack the deck.
Fact that.
Denzel, you were right on the direction, but the when was proved wrong. True.
Hey, what did we say? 677, right, for the like goal?
What are we at?
532. Blame. Chat, if you want another giveaway, you gotta give away some likes first. We need 677. In 1 minute, actually in 40 seconds, Tokyo Stock Exchange closes. That's when usually some volume comes in. Damn, see, we should have held this short, Celine.
Well, you started trailing it.
Yeah, I did.
Coulda, woulda, could've.
Yeah.
Celine, maybe a retrace back up and short from there. Yeah, for me to enter now, I do need a sweep of that all-time high again. So I'm just going to stay out. For the next 15 minutes anyway. We are 2 seconds away from there is the hourly open, Tokyo close volume.
Let's see what it does.
What it does.
What it does.
You think this will continue lower or still have room for upside and new highs? Money bag finance. I don't want to make any predictions. I don't like to do that when trading, but like we are at all-time highs, so it's most likely going to continue up, or it's going to do one of two things. Continue expanding to the upside, or we're going to see today as a retracement, a bearish day pullback. Who knows? It really is uncertainty right now. No idea.
Stereo, can I get a spin? It's my dog Terry birthday. Yes, here. Spinning the fidget spinner for you.
Is that a Batman fidget spinner?
Hell yeah.
That's sick.
Happy birthday, Terry.
All right. I think I'm gonna long it, Nick.
You're gonna long it?
I'm gonna long it.
Full porting it?
Yeah, we're gonna full port.
Ooh, good luck, everybody else.
Let's go. How do we even... Instant drawdown. Instant. Sheesh.
What size are you trading?
1 mini to give it some room. I think I've got $700 left in drawdown, if I've done my calculations correctly. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Thank you, dropping here. Oh my god. Yeah, Leia, your bias and analysis was correct. Take pride in that. It's just one trade. Yeah, absolutely. It's just annoying, Leia, that the stop was 2 points out out of just out of place, really. But now I had $700 left in this eval, and I'm just full porting at this point. There's no analysis here. I'm just trying to go with the trend with a full port. And this trade, yes, did have analysis, did have proper market structure that I was trading with, and it just did me dirty. But yeah, we could definitely see a follow through to the downside potentially. Looking at the 4-hour low as a clean target to the downside. That would be so unfortunate if this market does something like this. And my stop loss was the liquidity. Alpha Bravo Celine, 1 minute never inverse. It did. When I entered off an inverse. This was the entry. Right here. Why does my mouse always do this? This was the inversion, and it took it after that.
Womp womp.
Three more points to pass my fundeds. Let's go, Wyan. Wait, pass your fundeds? You mean pass your evals? Wait, let me show on the account that I'm... Oh no. Oh no. Let's see what happens here.
Yeah, that didn't end up too well. What's gonna be your stop out level?
No, this is like blow or... Yeah.
Yeah, but that's what I'm saying. What's your blowing?
Oh, it'll be 30 points from here. It'll be... $428. Are we seriously getting the dump now? The dump now when I gamble and just want to have fun? Now we get the fucking dump that I was trying to trade.
The risk of gamble. You either get it or you don't.
Are you serious, NQ? For real? For real? No, this has got to be some sick joke, chat.
That is brutal. You entered it and it dumped.
The Nicholas Wickles curse is real.
For real, it's real. We know that already. We know that already.
Oh boy, this is the ugly side of gambling, kids. What a short Celine. Denzel, don't rub it in.
Wah, 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 wah.
Momo Slim, please do me a favor, go off the charts and don't force. No, I'm honestly, this is not a force. This is just... This eval had a lot of, didn't have a lot of drawdown left, and I'm just having fun. Okay, let me gamble. I took this L already. All right, small 12-point L. But now I'm just having a gamble. Get the money gun out, Kazkoots.
And then what?
Don't really do much with that. Did anyone take...
likes?
I want to know if anyone's in these shorts right now. I did, but I think I'll finally be profitable this year. Whatever Celine does, do the opposite. Go for it. Or just, you know what? Put your stops 2 points above mine. That'll do it. This will be the 4-hour flip. See, now we have the 4-hour bearish candle. Very nice. Nice short, guys. If you're in this, it looks good. You got the 4-hour gap below as well to target, the 4-hour bullish gap. Potential to tap into there. Looks nice.
Yeah, Justin, the fills are a bit delayed for followers. That is true.
Short MNQ 26484. Nice, nice, nice. I entered with Nick, but with 4 minis up 3K. Also, some people actually took that trade with you. Still in it.
Not me.
Now imagine you held your 5 minis short.
I did on a separate account at 483. Lul.
You still in it?
Yes.
With 5
Oh,
minis?
not with 5 minis, no. With
Nice,
15
nice.
15 micros.
15 micros?
Mm-hmm.
Why not just trade 1 mini?
Because
Are you
15, not 10.
Nice. Nice trade. Money gone or money gone? Money gone today, chat. Money well and truly gone. Oh, there we go. I got stopped. This account is blown. That's all right. We move on. Today was not my day. Oh, the trader guys, haha, fuck me, I blew 5K across 2 funded accounts, trying the short and longs and oversizing first long from 416 Asia and messed it up, short from 478 and messed it up. Damn. That sucks. And oversizing, not fun also. Unfortunate. Nice. Omar must say I got stopped long, then I entered short. Well, good read. Good read, getting stopped long. Wait, and then you entered short, so you must be up now, right? Andre, imagine it starts pushing up from here. I know, but I do see it getting down into previous 4-hour low now, which would have been a nice target. And also because just below that is the 4-hour bullish gap, which hasn't been tapped into. Is this the first bearish 4-hour candle we're going to see since Wednesday, 6 a.m.? Yesterday's... No, since Tuesday. Let's see. Coins Minister is saying, hi Nick, do we have a website or video where I can get to read or watch a breakdown of Tradeify trading rules? Just the website, tradeify.co, really.
Mm-hmm.
You can go to the help center and get all your trading rules right there.
So just go, like, if you don't know where to go to tradeify.co. And then, once you're there, click on Help Center. And then whatever you want to know about, for example, a growth account, type growth. And then you see all the articles for growth accounts. Super easy peasy.
Wait, someone just said I have a crush on Celine's nose. I don't even know how to
Yeah, I
feel about
asked him, are you good, bro?
Fuck. Wait, why can't I
He
see
said it
your comment?
again. All right, Celtics fan, you're done. You're weird. Timing you out for 24 hours. Come back tomorrow. And, I don't know. Be less weird.
Yes. And yeah, I really did get the Nicholas Wick list today. I took it from Nick. Nick is up. Nikki, are you showing your shorts? Or are they different accounts?
I can't.
Okay. Understood. Wait, he said it again. Creepy. Yeah, I didn't see it the first time, G for Geo.
Yeah, the first time he said it, I responded to him in the chat and was like, "You good, bro?" And
then he said it again.
Andrea says some people should never have access to internet. That is very true.
Yes. I know. I wish there was a button that was like never allowed on YouTube ever again.
Report to YouTube CEO directly. My first account ever I used Tradeify is the best dashboard and comes with its own trade cell. I made an account on Apex now, and was the point of Tradeify is just higher quality. Yeah, Tradeify is goated.
100%. Our new after 3.0 update, it got even better as well. The dashboard, the journal, everything. Denzel, Celine, how many models do you trade? One strict model, this model that I use using the 4-hour, and then the way I trade in New York is just like that, but a little bit more flexible in terms of like entries. It doesn't have to be an inversion, for example, and the sweeps don't have to be the 4-hour sweep. It can just be like London low sweep, for example. But yeah, the one strict model I trade here live on stream.
Chat, who is in a trade and what are you in right now? Let's see.
I'm sure they got to be in these shorts, some of them.
Ty3 saying, what if he was a professional nose model and he was genuinely admiring your nose? I don't know, kind of harsh. Yeah, true. I'm a bad person.
Yep, these guys are in shorts. Nice. Oh, shorted the shit out of GC. What's gold doing? Oh, okay, gold had a similar move. Interesting. Although gold just swept out Asia low and previous 4-hour low. Interesting. This is an area I'm watching for longs.
The nose guy didn't deserve that. Justice for nose trails.
What the hell is this turn into?
Yeah, this is gonna get weird. That is weird. What's the like goal? Happy? 677. Martin says it just got stopped out. Sorry.
Stopped in profit? Or...
Then he says y'all being nosy. Justin says, the nose guy deserved that. You just don't say that out loud. You don't see me saying I have a crush on Nick's right ear. Dude, you don't even see my right ear. What are you talking about, man? I sent you a photo of my left ear.
We still haven't seen those feet. That's what we're all waiting for.
Gotta pay up if you want to see those.
Interesting question. Prophet Thread says, what's it like to be trading live on YouTube pressure instead of trading by yourself off stream? How does the public pressure compare? Honestly, I used to feel this a lot when I first got on here with Nick, like trading live in front of you guys and having to answer for, like, if I was not being, for example, sticking to my rules, saying that I wanted to do this and that, like, there was a lot of pressure there, but it actually helps a lot to have you guys there and make me accountable for my trading. So I don't feel pressure, honestly. I feel like I trade the same as I do off screen. If anything, just execution wise, I probably slip up a little bit because I'm a bit distracted. But in terms of pressure, I don't know if it really impacts me as much anymore these days, Nick.
Zero.
Yeah.
When I started, I was extremely nervous. I remember like the first stream we did, not just the first stream, but probably like the first month or so, I was so nervous. Because wow, all these people are gonna see me lose, all these people are gonna see me win, they're gonna see everything I do. It's like, and just being in front of that many people at all times, and we didn't have the numbers that we have now back then. I was extremely nervous, and now I literally don't give a flying fuck because I just ban people. You know, no, I'm kidding. No, but for real, it's like if somebody gets on my nerves, I just ignore them. And if somebody wants to troll, I troll them. Whatever, I don't give a shit.
Yeah,
literally.
exactly. Yeah, I've learned that as well. Because there will always be trollers.
It took time.
Mm-hmm. For sure. PPX Trade slept like a baby last night, and I just woke up to people talking about nose and nosy. What? You missed it, PPX Traders. You had to be there.
Actually, it's Forex therapy. I know you've been here since day one. I actually want to pull up like the first stream right now.
Oh, that's sick. There's a day one in the chat. There's a few day ones in the chat, Leia.
All right. So
yeah, let's go back to the very first live stream.
Very first one. Can I do oldest here? Oh, yes. Let's go. Tradeify launch day. Look at that. Oh, Brett was there too. True. I remember. Damn, my setup was so different. Look at that.
Yeah, what? Where's your tree?
I would not encourage them to primary.
Everybody's setup was way different. Everybody's was like front and centered, like a news reporter.
Yeah, Miriam's too, huh?
Mm-hmm. But she was living in a different house back then.
Some of them know maybe, but go for it.
Look how blurry the charts were. What the hell?
Damn.
Okay, wait. Let's see if Forex therapy was actually there. If he's lying. Let's see. We can still see the chat.
For this. So we have a psychology coach that is actually going to be joining us on some of the streams. He's going to be coming on, giving.
Watching all streams on stream. Look at that.
End up, like catching the tippity top. And
Oh, but guess who was there? Guess who was there? That one and only Leia Lager.
Oh, you know who else? Birdie. Birdie's there.
No. Press the wrong button.
Guys, we see you.
Yeah, Leia is a goat. Leia is a goat. Stereo says you'll get copyright claim. That would be funny, actually. That would be. Oh, look, back then even Brett explained the GP on stream. Look at that. Right into the 707. Look at that. Ooh. So nice. So nice.
There you go, guys. Whoever is always asking for the GP strat from Brett, just go back and watch the first Tradeify stream.
Bingo.
All there.
Bingo. Ty3 says Celine is my psychology coach.
Lol. Thank you.
Businessman says I only started watching Tradeify streams to troll Nick. Hey, I appreciate that. Thanks for watching.
Of course he did. Martina Perez says, I like watching guys. Thanks. We like having you here.
Yep.
ADB says, what date is this from, Nick? When was the first one?
22nd of May, 2025. So in a month, we're going to have our Tradeify TV anniversary.
1 whole year of Tradeify TV.
Brick Scaler, Nick was wearing the same tee that he's wearing today. Actually, yeah, I haven't washed it since.
And he hasn't touched his hair either. It's just like a continuum. That is why Nick is AI. Hold on a minute. He looks the same each and every day. Same t-shirt, same hair. Everything. I don't know what else. Like, that tree just hasn't moved in the back also.
Lying. I didn't have the tree in the beginning.
Okay, but you can't go past your hair and your white tee being the same every day. That's just such an AI. Like, when they're building you as the bot, they're like, just make him wear this white t-shirt and just have his hair like this. Some days I tie my hair up. Some days I have it down. Some days I wear white. Some days I wear black. I am not the AI chat. Finished. It's Nick.
You done?
Just added it. Yeah, I'm done.
Okay, cool.
Ozempic Nick is made out of wax.
When was your first stream, Celine?
Okay, do we count like the test stream I did with you? Because that technically was the first one.
Exactly.
That was
TMC. Gemini says you are, Celine. Exactly. Wait, let me check.
If we count the test, it was like September.
Let's see. Okay, scrolling. Look at that. London session was only me. So sad. Look at that thumbnail. Oh, and suddenly Celine appears. So
But
first
I wasn't
thumbnail
there
you
for
were
like
on-
the first week.
First thumbnail you were on was 20th of October.
That sounds familiar. Oh no, I was there earlier. Try September.
Yeah, but I mean first thumbnail you were on.
Let me check. Should we bring up my first stream now? I was really nervous. These people
Were
aren't
you?
gonna like me. Nick is
Let's
gonna
see.
bully me. I was right about that.
That I'm doing.
Yeah.
Of course.
They're gonna think I'm AI. No, I'm kidding.
Ew, I had white charts back then. Ew, stop this. Ah.
Wait.
Where were you though? You were on the thumbnail and you didn't appear? Celine, what the hell?
Yeah, because remember we were having issues with equipment and stuff.
Scam. Chat, she a scam. Look at that. She's a scammer.
Wait.
She's a
I will
scammer.
find it. No, I want to find
Celine is a scammer. She was on the thumbnail, but she wasn't in the stream. Celine is a scammer. Oh, there she is. Why the heck are our screens so blurry?
Oh, that's when I was in Melbourne.
Why are our screens so blurry though?
Maybe it's because we're playing it through. I don't know.
I don't know.
Wait, I think this might be my first. Wow, your setup used to be different, Nick.
Wait, Leah says, Celine, want to know a secret?
Yeah.
Now I want to hear it. What is it?
Always.
I applied for your position, but I was so picky with my application. Yeah, I remember. I remember.
Oh my gosh. I did not know that. Oh, Leia, we could have been up here together.
No, you couldn't. Because I was here. And we needed a co-host. One.
Well, Leia could have been the co-host.
Leia could have been the co-host. She took a bit long to send out that application video.
Oh well, Leia, I'm glad that you're still with us, and it's basically like you're live with us every day anyway, just from the chat.
G-Spot says.
What am I missing in the WhatsApp chat? What? No.
Oh, I can check. Can you check, Celine?
No, I'm not in WhatsApp. You know that. I'm actually trying to find the first stream that I came on.
Leah says, I will make it officially to the Tradeify team one day. Mark my words. Hell yeah, I believe you. I do believe you.
Where is it? Do you remember which day we streamed together? Like that first test stream?
No. I remember I had problems booting up the AI, but... But then it worked.
Damn it. It's going to take too long to find. I thought it was in September sometime. No idea. Taco Trader. I was supposed to send my application, but I forgot my taco in the oven, so I missed it. That's fair, Taco Trader. I don't expect anything less from you.
Leia. We should... Why have we never had Leia on stream?
Yeah, no shit. Or even like just an OG episode with just the
Leia,
OGs,
do you
like-
wanna come on stream? You can run a show with us. Be a guest.
Show us how you trade oil.
I got you with the yawn.
Yeah.
She says, "What the fuck am I gonna talk about?" Well, obviously Pokemon. What the hell? Can you also get Roman on stream? Roman was on stream yesterday. I manipulated the shit out of my longs.
Yes.
I'm not gonna get him back.
We don't want Roman anywhere near our trading.
Can we do more Kahoot? We can. Yeah, Leia, you don't have to come on now, but maybe another time. Roman's like, yeah, money maker.
And also Kiz. I feel like we need to have Kiz on because he's also just always here. Kiz is the one that forgets to pick up her kids sometimes because she's too busy watching the stream.
We ended in the endless yawn loop. Leia versus Celine FIFA. Oh, okay.
Oh.
I mean.
Well, damn. I don't know if I'm up for that again on the stream in front of you guys.
That would be funny. If you get smoked by Leia, that would be hilarious.
I can't be defeated again live on stream. I can't let that happen.
Hey,
Oh, no.
Royal Negroni made a Tradeify quiz on Kahoot, but it's saying I have to pay to share. Yeah, you have to. Paid feature. But damn, a Tradeify quiz is cool.
Damn.
I need to figure out where to put the kid.
Lucifer, why are you hating?
Oh,
Why are you
Leia says that was awesome at FIFA back in the day. I mean, that's what Celine said too. So.
Yeah, but to be fair, that was like my first time playing FIFA on Switch. But we're not going to go there again. We don't have to talk about it. It was a loss. A loss is a loss.
2 losses.
Whatever. She's messy. Oh, and NQ is dumping to this previous 4-hour load. This is so frustrating for me to watch, guys.
The Afghan trader, what the heck? Why are you not getting your account? I'm really sorry, honestly. Like, I'll reach out again to Brandon. I don't know what's happening. I'm really sorry, honestly. Don't know.
Whoa, Leia saying she played FIFA 98 on PlayStation. Okay, Leia, you've definitely been playing longer than me. I think my first FIFA was like 11. FIFA 11.
We still need 77 more likes, chat.
Lucifer.
Lucifer.
No hate, but you suck at FIFA. Guys, you haven't seen me in my prime playing PS, okay? Switch is not the thing. I wish I had... No, I'm not taking this from them. They've seen me play 2 games on Nintendo Switch. It's not the same. If you know FIFA, you know that the gameplay, the mechanics of the
Celine,
FIFA
they
is
have
completely
seen you
different on-
play Real Madrid against an Indian 1.5-star team. And you lost.
Yeah, but you play Switch.
No, I don't.
Yes, you do. Don't lie.
No,
Why are you lying?
I really don't, Celine. I really don't.
I'm not involved in this anymore. I don't want to talk about it.
Just saying.
I will find something that I will beat you at, Nick, and you will never hear the end of it. Don't worry about that. That sprint,
Hey.
that race that we're going to have, you will never hear the end of that, being beaten by a girl as well on top of it. Don't you worry. Laugh all you want. Laugh all you want.
No, I was just imagining how like you're looking forward to it and how excited you are. Then you run and then you fall over or something. It's gonna be so fun.
You're laughing at me falling over. You're just straight up mean.
No, if you tell me you're never gonna hear the end of it, I'm gonna be
Then I fall
fall
over.
over. That would be so hilarious.
Yeah,
Yeah,
hey, I'm playing
but
paddle tomorrow. So
you are? I haven't played paddle in like 3 or 4 weeks actually.
yeah, I'm playing paddle. Celine, when are we getting our free lightning accounts?
Yeah, me.
There's way too many people in
You'll
here.
get nothing, Bakshish. You'll get nothing. I'm getting 2.
She can squat more when we got strong legs. I probably could squat more.
Could you though? Like I'm,
Are we talking like
I
reps
must say,
or like?
I'm bad at anything legs, but I still would smoke you.
Well, if we use weights, like you're obviously going to be able to carry more load on your legs. I
Yes.
think.
Yes.
But maybe in reps, like maybe I could squat more times than you. I don't know. Like just free weight, like no weight.
I don't know.
Squat.
We can have and then we have a pull-up competition after that.
Yeah, and it's just not fair.
Well. Space Jam, Nink. Can I have 25k eval account? If you would have spelled my name wrong, right, yes, but you didn't, so no. Frank, my body feels good again. Still a bit sore in the legs, but I can walk again. Yesterday, I did 20,000 steps again, so we're good. We're back.
Wow, that didn't take long at all to recover.
2 days. And then on the third one, I was more or less back.
I'm gonna check on gold.
Peachpod says, hey guys, love watching, but curious if the music could ever be mixed up. I'm a musician and listening to the same song on loop for months is giving me nightmares. You're a magician?
Wait, don't we have... Don't we have new music in the New York stream yet or no?
Yeah, we do.
Roman, can we get that to London session?
Yep, nice.
Okay, thanks. Guys, we will have new music coming, same as New York.
XVQQ arrange FIFA contest and everyone who beats Celine gets a free 150k lightning account. Then we can just not play FIFA and give 150k lightning to everybody.
Oh my... Let's do it. Let's do it on PlayStation. Let's, at the next Trader meetup, have a PlayStation there, and each one of you can come through and verse me, and you will see. And I will give you the account personally. It will be on me. Tradeify doesn't need to... You know what? I will personally give you guys lightning fundeds. But it has to be on PS5. I'm going to let Brent know next Trader meetup. I'm being for real. I can record a lo-fi trading beat to lose money to album for you guys. No, we want a lo-fi beat that we can smash TP to.
Ozempic is so funny.
Yeah, I would love to meet. Imagine meeting Ozempic in person. I reckon he's hilarious.
Well, the thing is, Celine, if you don't beat me first on FIFA, like on PS5, then there's no point in doing this.
In doing what?
Like the whole meetup tournament thing.
Just go. Leave.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, the relief. Can't. I don't have to deal with that. Now, where am I?
My children, where did this beautiful boy go? I miss him on stream. Did you tell him to get the fuck out of here?
Yes, I did. Because God,
Why would you do such a mean thing to this poor Swiss boy?
I don't know about that.
He was being nice to you at all times. Why are you so mean to him?
God, because he's always bullying me. What do I do?
Well, maybe you are just his streaming sister, and this the way siblings have fun and stream together.
Well, I struggle to see it like that, but I will try. I'll try to forgive him.
The question is, will he forgive you? Will he ever come back?
I have done nothing.
You have just told him to get the fuck out of here, my daughter. Did you just tell me to shut up?
Shut up, God.
Amen.
All right, we can bring him back.
Who?
That's poor Swiss guy you were talking about.
He is not poor, but he is Swiss.
Whatever, that poor German guy.
I think you have just overstepped the border there. You will not recover from this, lady.
All right, bring him back, God, because I'm kind of scared of this voice. Come on. We don't like this voice.
Whoa, what happened? What the fuck?
Oh, I just had another visit from some strange man.
I was literally, it was so weird. Like
There's
everything.
the German boy. It's good. It's good. He needs to cop this, chat. Nick needs to feel what it feels like to be bullied, okay? I deal with it every day here. That's only a little taste. Oh, damn, with the 10x zoom. Damn, your camera is like really clear. Yes. All right, come on back. Come on back. He's mocking you. That's actually low-key creepy. Oh my. Roman, yes, we need this in full screen. Oh my god. Nick, you have to go back and watch the stream to see the full effects of this. Damn. He will still, this will be Nick now for the next 20 minutes of the stream. So, the charts. We're just gonna sit here. This literally feels like a horror movie. You know when like things start to glitch out? Not that I watch scary movies, but I feel like this is before like some freaking ghost. Mexican dance goes, welcome to the 3-hour London streams. All right, come on, Nick. I want to trade gold. Come back. He's just having way too much fun. And I'm missing this gold opportunity right now. Nicholas Wickle, we command you to come out. Go on. Is Nick 12? Nick! Oh my gosh.
What? What's up?
Nick, you can't do that for 10 minutes of the stream. People are sitting here waiting to see you. What a troll.
Wait, why is it so zoomed in? What the heck?
You did that. You did that.
I did nothing. I was taking a break real quick.
Did you have fun there? You good?
Yeah, yeah, I did.
These guys were like,
Oh, I did have fun, chat. Don't worry. Yeah, welcome
That
to
was-
3 Hour London streams.
Mm-hmm.
I
I'm glad
guess.
you guys found it funny. All right. I actually was looking at a gold long here while you were doing that.
It was epilepsy for the soul.
It was low-key creepy. I feel like something like from a horror movie that was.
Jen says, "This is pathetic, Nick. Stop it." Stereo says, "I appealed for a presidential pardon for the nose guy. Free my homie. He did nothing wrong."
Oh, still the nose guy? No.
Deepa Deep says, "Nick's
No.
girlfriend was called." Nah, she's used to this.
The poor girl.
Very
Poor
much
fiancé.
used to this.
Yeah,
Damn, the business lens chose violence today. Celine looks like a horror movie ghost. Damn.
Whoa. Time out. Did I do something to you, the business lens? Did I?
Hey, by the way, we need 52 more likes, chat, to do giveaway. So how about you hit that like button right now?
Does anyone know real quick on Tradeify how to like reset the chart scale using keyboard shortcut?
On Tradeify?
Yeah.
Nope, I don't.
Okay.
I don't. Anshul says, "Hello, ma'am and sir. How are you? We're doing fantastic. How are you?"
Hello?
How many likes to free the nose guy? He will be freed tomorrow. Don't worry.
No.
Top right corner, there is an arrow. Click that and we'll scale the chart. But she was asking for a keyboard shortcut, no?
Yeah, keyboard shortcut. Okay, I just have a buy limit on gold. Not sure. One gold contract here. Reaction at Asia low. 4-hour bullish gap tapped into previous 4-hour low tapped. I'm hoping this is.
He's trashing you guys on WhatsApp. Wait, let me check.
Who? Who is? Get him out of here. We don't want the haters. Use command and Q. What happened?
John is in the WhatsApp group going rogue. I just removed him.
That's
See ya,
crazy.
John. He was typing too. It says like John typing, and then I just removed him.
The poor guy, was he still going on about all-time highs?
Yeah, he was.
That's taking up like 3 hours of his day right now. I actually feel sorry for him. Damn.
What the heck? This guy went crazy.
That's insane.
Wait.
I bet he'll come back into the chat with another username.
He can't. Because as soon as he starts typing, I'll just ban him again.
True. Frank, yeah, Nick made a WhatsApp group ages ago. I'm not in it, Frank. Don't worry, you're not missing out.
You know what? I'll post the link once, really quick, just for shits and giggles. Shits and giggles. Can I talk? Sometimes. Here you go. One chance to enter. Keep it positive, or otherwise you'll end like John.
Chicken's in there. Chicken in the chat.
What's up, chicken?
Nick looks so incredibly hot, Chicken thinks.
You look hot, chicken.
Can we look for longs on NQ as well? What is NQ doing? Did it end up taking the 4-hour low? Oh, yes, it did. Previous 4-hour low. That would have been my initial trade, guys. This is actually sad.
Damn, we
Sad.
just had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 people joined the group. Hell yeah. Look at that. 16. Oh my god.
Oh
Crazy.
my God.
Crazy. Welcome, everybody.
But yes, 4-hour low has been swept on NQ, and we have a strong reaction to that. What's that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 green candles, or pink candles in my instance. Come on, gold. Nice money back finances. I hit that whole move to the downside. Let's go. That was literally what I was talking about at the beginning of the session, hoping to see. Was in a short, got stopped, and watched it run to TP. So
I like
some
this
days,
long.
some days it's like that. And yeah, longs look decent now.
Should we do another?
All right, I am not involved in that one. Nope.
No? Okay. Then I'll take it with 1 mini. That's fine too.
Celine, can you explain the 2 pink boxes? What pink boxes?
2 pink boxes. We'll try it. We will try it. We will try it. No, 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 no.
All right, I got.
Actually, I'm gonna set my stop way lower now, just because Nicholas Wicholas. You guys know. You guys know. There we go. Here we go. We got a show.
Yeah, I'm gonna start implementing that too. The Nicholas Wicholas +3. I'm gonna do like +3 points to the SL, the stop loss.
Yeah.
I think that'll work. Did we hit the like count goal?
Nope. 6:43. Chat, you have literally 3 more minutes to reach 677. Maybe 5. 677 likes on this stream, and we're gonna do a giveaway.
We're almost there.
Mm-hmm.
I'm trying a gold long as well. I got tapped into that as well, by the way, just in case anyone wondered.
Lucifer says, are we going to do a Nicholas Wicholas again? Imagine now it comes down here, stops me out, goes up.
Yeah.
Then I'm done. At that point, I'm done forever.
You just quit?
Yeah. Rage quit. Oh, okay. 17 more likes. Nice. We need 17 more. We can do it, chat. We're almost there.
Almost there. Come on, come on, come on. I want to see someone win a pizza as well.
Like Jonathan? Jonathan the pizza legend?
Mm-hmm. Oh, you mean, I think he's talking about 28 Husseini. 1 box is inverted FPG. What's the one? Yeah, this is a label, the second one. The first one is just to show me the inversion. And that's it. That is all the pink is.
Jonathan, you don't need WhatsApp for the giveaway. We're going to do the giveaway here, as usual. Oh, 1 more like, chat. We need 1 more. Come on now. 1 more like. We can do it. We can do it. We can do it. And we did it. And we did it. All right. Nice. So let's run a giveaway. As usual, I have a new form, so if you filled it out before, you can fill it out again. As usual, you have to like the stream, subscribe to the channel, and once I send you the Google form, fill out that Google form, but only do it once. If you do it more than once, you will get disqualified. If you ask me where the form is, you will also get disqualified. You know it. You know the rules. Here's the form. Good luck. Okay. We got Ty 3 disqualified. Asked where the form is. Come on now.
He's really trolling.
Come on now. Ty 3, you for real?
Ty 3, can I donate my winnings to Celine?
She
Today,
needs it. Still gotta
today
give
I
me
do.
my funded accounts.
Yes, I need all the donations, guys, please.
Come on now. Where's the phone?
Lulu, where's the phone?
No more Kahoot, Andrea. Nope. This one is an old school giveaway. I'll give you 1 more minute from now. The Afghan trader, you're in that long with me? Hell yeah. Will this giveaway buy me a Revuelto before Nick, guys? Maybe.
Wait, Pip Rolls, good morning. You just joining us?
Pip Roll.
7 minutes to go. We've been here for almost 3 hours.
You, sir,
Come
are
on,
late.
You gotta wake up earlier.
You, sir, are late.
Can we win Selena giveaway? Yes,
No.
guys. Please, please. Give me a giveaway account.
Okay. 16 seconds left. Valeria, do you need to fill the form every day or just once? Every day. Once every day. Sometimes multiple times if we do multiple giveaways. Trading BDH Master says, hello, I'm here for the giveaway. Cool. You suck. I also walk my hands, says Mexican Dance. All right. Done. Copying everybody over from the form. Ooh. Boom. Let's see. Who wins a free account today?
Hey.
All right. The winner of this second giveaway is Malel82.
Nice. Congratulations.
Type something in the chat, and then we're gonna see what you win as soon as you type. Gotta type something in the chat though. This trade is not doing much. Chicken. Come on.
Malice says W. Malice here.
W. Okay, let's see what you win. You win, sir. You win. Ooh, a lightning. Ooh, a lightning. Ooh, a lightning funded account. Hell yeah. 25K lightning funded account. Congrats. Congratulations. That is big. That is big.
Very nice.
So, with that being said, you have to add your email address to your YouTube channel description. And you're going to make sure that this email address is your actual email address that you use to log into your Tradeify accounts. Otherwise, it's not going to work. Okay. And then give us up to 7 days to send you your free 25K lightning funded account. This is big. Congrats.
That's huge. Lightning funded. No eval stage. Straight to a payout. Love it.
Very good.
Love it.
Hey, my trade is back above break even. Look at that.
Ooh, me too. Oh, I just jinxed it.
She jinxed that, chat. She jinxed it. Damn it.
Oh no. Oh, markets are boring me today.
Yeah.
Gone.
I'll keep this trade on until New York session. So
That's good.
we wait and see. Hell yeah, Mexican Dance. Real recognizes real.
Like, we need more God voice and crazy camera shit. No, we don't. What am I to do with that? It's honestly, being on this side of it, Nick, you have no idea. It's the freakiest thing. I know it's you, but deep down, like, I'm terrified.
Yoni, what's your TP? My TP is 26471. It should be very clear on screen. I've zoomed in so much. No? I mean, I can see it very well. I'm on YouTube, and I if you ask me where TP is, come on now.
Get those glasses checked, guys.
Ah, you thought this was Celine's screen? No, Celine's screen is awfully white.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. You'll know when it's my screen.
Two things. I have the pink candles on a white screen. What the heck? No.
Hakuna
nope,
Matata, you
nope.
know? Hakuna Matata.
Kissmas says, another great stream. I hope you all have the day you deserve, especially you, Johnny.
Love it.
Oh boy.
Especially you, Johnny.
That's funny.
Johnny.
Johnny. Yeah, I mean, with that being said, I'm going to keep this trade on. My stop is at 26,403. My target is 26,471. Put a big fat W in the chat if you love this stream, especially if you love the first solo hour with Celine that she absolutely crushes every single day since we started this. And put an L in the chat if you hate us both. Yeah. If anybody puts an L in the chat, I swear. Observing.
Ban.
Let's see W's. Good. Oh, I see an L for Johnny. Okay, that's okay. Trader Sean, an L. What the hell? Man. But yeah, anyways, we'll be back at 8:30 a.m. Eastern time with another New York session stream, and then of course tomorrow, 8 a.m. 7 a.m. UK time with another London session stream. And yeah, see you soon. But before we do that, Celine, any inspiring words for the chat?
Oh, yes. First of all, it's 7 a.m., guys. Do not be here at 8 a.m. You'll miss the first hour with me. So make sure you're here at 7 a.m. Secondly, now, lessons to be learned today. Add 3 to 5 points to your stop loss and you will be sweet. Make sure you guys, no, but on a serious note, make sure that you are always trading your plan like I did today. That way I can't be so cut up internally because of the trade playing out how it did, because that was my plan. It hit my stop loss did its job. Trade direction, everything being right, but timing was wrong. That can happen. That can totally happen. Just trade your plan. There is nothing you can do about it. I'm in a gold long right now. I'm green. It's now put me a green on the day. And just like that, you can switch your day around. So if you are taking L's out there, just remember it's totally normal. Do not let it affect your psychology. And when you see your next setup, just get into that trade. With that being said, yes, love you guys, especially you, Johnny. If you're still listening, you better come back with a better attitude tomorrow, you know. But make sure you tune into New York stream and I'll see you guys tomorrow.
Peace out.